What was that?
Why do you like disturbing my sleep very late in the night? Why?
At night? No, is that what you are thinking? That you are still at night?
Hi.
Open up that window. Open the window and see the light that will pass into your face. It is morning already. Not just morning, it is full-blown morning. People who have businesses, who have trades, they are already in their places of business. Doing so well.
But I don't have a business. I don't have business. What is all this one? Hey! Why did you just spoil this sweet dream? Why? Ow!
By this time?
If you have seen this boy, he was so handsome. Huh? And just as I was about to kiss him.
Kiss who?
You spoiled everything! You came and scattered it!
No, kiss who? It is getting clearer now. So there is a spiritual husband somewhere that you kiss. Is that the reason you have refused to marry in the physical? That is it, right?
Brother.
Ha! Can you help yourself?
If I had kissed this boy, I wouldn't have married Odion Jeremiah. If I had plastered my lips on that boy's lips, nothing would have stopped us from meeting in the physical. Wakachi! Why do you like being a spoiler of good things? Why must it be that moment? That moment that I was about.
Listen to me. Kissing in the dream, in the spirit, is actually evil. It is demonic and you don't know. You should be thanking me for stopping you. Because had it been you succeeded in kissing that whoever, it would have been disastrous. Now I need you to get up. Get up and freshen up. Because you are going to the market to go and restock the house. There is nothing we have in this house anymore. So get out of that your useless dream and go and freshen up and be ready to go to the market.
This is bad. So, you are staring at me without greeting again, huh? Am I your mate? So why can't you open that mouth of yours and greet your elder like a trained girl? Huh? What is wrong with you?
Despite the miniskirt and this horrible painting you have on your face just to cheat nature and look young, you certainly are not age mate. So therefore, good morning, Auntie.
Anyway, go and tell your father that I am not in the mood to go to the market today. Oh yes, tell your father that this beautiful makeup on my face and this dressing is not for the market at all. In fact, I will not condone any drop of sweat on my body today. So, I won't be going to the market. Go tell him that.
You don't expect me to do that, do you? Father wants you to go to the market.
And why will I go to the market when we have you lazying around, perambulating around the whole place, doing nothing, busy doing nothing, huh? Please, go tell your father that I have things to do, I have places to go, and the market is certainly not one of them. Okay? Now,
Auntie, you know this makeup you have on your face is enough for you to apply for 2 months. The makeup business will be booming with sales. All thanks to you for applying this large quantity of makeup on your face. You're doing well. Well done.
You are very wicked.
Oh.
You are selfish. Oh. You are self-centered. And the way I am looking at you, apart from the fact that you are mannerless, you lack home training, you are also despicable. So, you cannot give a simple compliment, right? Even when I am looking at you and I can see your eyes glittering with so much admiration. But you are so fickle-minded to say what you want to say. Anyway, I'm used to it. I don't need validation from you to know that I am beautiful, I am demure, and I am sweet 16. So, you know, looking good is good business. I could teach you, you know. I'm not as wicked as you. I don't gatekeep. I'll teach you how to make yourself look so beautiful and classy like me. Just ask nicely. Ciao, ciao.
Wait, what just happened? Did she just say she would teach me? Teach me to do what exactly? No, teach me to color my face like a masquerade. No, it can never be me.
Ciao, ciao. Hello, everybody. Hello. Bad belly people. Bad belly people everywhere. Anyway, I don't blame them. Is it because I'm looking so good, so beautiful and so young? That is why they refuse to answer my greetings, eh? Hey, people are really bad. As in bad. Eh? If I was looking old, cranky, and ugly, they'll be the first people to greet me and then ask me, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? But now that I am looking good, they have decided to ignore my greetings. Anyway, that is why I am going to disappoint them all the time. I will be disappointing them all the time. Anytime they see me, I'm going to be looking so peng, so demure, and so beautiful. Not to talk of young. Yes, that is how they'll be seeing me every day, and they'll be dying inside instrumentally. So, you guys can take your black hats and shove it where the sun don't shine. Rubbish. A fine girl will always be a fine girl. There's nothing anybody can do about it. You know what I'm saying? I've never even seen any fine boy. They go there this side. For love, I'm burning up, hey, I'm burning up, my heart's on fire, I'm burning up, hey, I'm burning up, woo, burning up, hey, my heart's on fire, I'm burning up.
Well, it is actually very nice that you came back by this time, in as much as you are dancing back. That's not my problem. But had it been, you didn't come back by this time, I should have actually sent a search party for you.
I don't understand. What is the problem? Huh? Did something happen? Is there a problem?
Well, now that we are back, what I need you to do is to go inside the house, freshen up, and then prepare me something to eat. I am the one who works for the money that we enjoy in this family. I should not be left starving.
Oh, yes. You're so correct.
Good.
You are correct. In fact, you have every right to say what you just said. But the problem is that I, as in moi, I am so tired. I had a very stressful day. And the only thing on my mind right now is how to go inside, remove my clothes, freshen up, lay my beautiful body on the bed and have my beauty sleep.
Did I just say you say stressed? Stressed out, tired, doing what exactly? Do you think I've not been hearing what you are doing? How you have been parading yourself in the whole of this town with this useless makeup you wear that makes you look like a masquerade? With this short thing that you wear? Parading yourself everywhere looking for who you are going to fight? You think I don't hear that?
Excuse me. That is the one I will not take from you. Okay? I will not take that form of insult from you. Is that what you call my movement? Oh my God. Wait. Were you not the one that said you want me to get married?
Of course I did.
So do you think I am going to get married holed up in this house?
You are going about it the wrong way.
That is the reason I dress up, take my sexy self out into the streets, you know what I'm saying? So that, my potential husband can see me.
And I am telling you that the way you are going about it is wrong. You are appearing very desperate in the eyes of serious people. There is no serious man that will look at you the way you are going and talk to you. The only people that will be talking to you because of the way you are carrying yourself, very desperate way, are people that are not serious. And what they are going to do with you, because of your desperation, is to catch you, chop you, and clean out. That's it.
Are you swearing for me?
What does it?
No. Are you in any way swearing for me? Hey, brother. Potaba from there, because I will not take it.
You are the one that should be potaba. You are the one that should be potaba.
Will you even talk to your daughter like that?
Yes.
No, I'm asking you, will you talk to your daughter like that? I don't blame you. The only reason that will make you sit your ass on that chair and talk trash to me is because you see me every day, free of charge. Because people out there that see me, they see me in my glory, and they feel, they don't feel entitled like you. They feel privileged. But because you see me every day in this house, that is why you can say this to me. You know what? Let your daughter cook for you. She is old enough to cook for her father. And you are not an old man. You can equally cook for yourself. And if you think you cannot cook for yourself, go and remarry. Yes! Other men like you that feel they can't do things for themselves are all remarried. So go and remarry and leave me alone. Leave me the hell alone. You people stress me too much in this house, and I will not take it.
Well, when you are done ranting, you do what I said, and I have a choice. You are going to prepare me pounded yam with very hot salad soup.
Brother, potaba. It can't be me. The only way you are going to eat pounded yam made by me is in your dreams. And by the time you swallow 2 balls, I will be in La La Land dreaming about the young, handsome man that I met today. I'm burning up. Ooh, I'm burning.
Don't worry. By the time you fail to do what I have said and you are burning on your bed, you are going to discover a whole 1 bucket of water on you. Okay, I'll even mem. But in Xiolla, I like him kapanjo. I like him I drop one.
Hey, my friend. Are you okay? What is that? Why are you looking at me as if you're looking at something you do not find pleasing?
I was about asking if something is wrong with your eye, that you are opening and closing it in such a manner.
I don't understand. I was cutting my eyes for you. So, are you trying to tell me that a grown man like you do not understand what it means when a fine, cheeky, under 16 looking, beautiful girl is cutting eyes for you? I don't get it. Why are you pretending? Huh?
First of all, that doesn't seem nice. And good afternoon, Auntie Eunice.
Auntie Tiwagono. Yes, Auntie Tiwagono, you are very stupid. I don't understand. Protaba from that insult. Do you hear me? Who is your auntie? No, who is your auntie? How many years am I even your senior with? That is if I'm your senior. Atongi, why are you calling me auntie? Eh? Look at me. Just look at me. I look chic. I don't need your validation. I look beautiful. I look fresh. And I look under 16. Do you actually know that some men in this village actually mistake me for my niece? You know that, right?
Oh, really?
Yeah, of course.
How can they make such mistake? Because it's very clear to me that you are nothing young.
Oh.
You don't look young at all.
That means you need to wash your eyes. They are dirty. Or maybe you should upgrade your nutrients, because from where I'm standing, I think you lack vitamins. So upgrade your eating habits. Eat vegetables. Eat fruits that will help your eyesight. Yeah? That is how guys like you pretend and look down on the wrong girls, the beautiful one, yet they will run like a scary cat to go and impregnate an ugly fool while pretending not to see the right beautiful one in front of them.
No problem. Auntie Eunice, what do you want from me?
I was cutting eye for you now. So what do you think I want from you? Huh? You're pretending to be a small boy. Meanwhile, your mates in Cockroach, most of them are out of history. What they go home. So stop pretending. You know what I want. I'm cutting my eyes for you. And I'm cutting my eyes for you again. Like a faithful.
I'm sorry for stopping you this way. How are you doing?
As you can see, I'm fine.
Okay. I bought something for you. I hope you will like it.
So you think you can get me with this? Listen, I'm not so easy and cheap.
Well, Gladys, I know this is not cheap. I know. It is very costly. But I know you worth much more than the price I bought it. This is just the beginning. I can get anything you want. Anything you want, I can provide it to you.
Really?
Yes.
You really think you deserve me? Prosper, I need you to take a good look at me. What makes you think that you or any man in this village can have me?
Gladys, you know, what happened to me? Am I not handsome? Look at me now. You know, okay. What can I bet you? Eh? See, all these women around this village, all of them, they're admiring me. You know, compliments here and there. Even your auntie. She's even trying so hard to seduce me.
What? Eh? What did you just say?
Yes, your auntie.
My auntie is seducing you?
Yes, she's determined to get me for herself. And I'm playing too hard to get. Because my heart only belongs to you.
But she's old. Way older than you.
Well, she doesn't see me way too young and herself as old. So I don't think there is a problem there.
Excuse you. Now you're talking to my auntie. No, are you in any way trying to insult me or my auntie? You know what? It's okay. I am done. Don't even try to win my heart because you will never do it. You have lost the chance to. Take. Why do you like disgracing yourself? Why are you disgracing yourself and this family? Why can't you behave your age?
Excuse me? Hey. Are you talking to me? Ne. Just because your face is old does not make us age mates. So next time, shape your mouth. You wanna go shape that your mouth before you talk to me.
I will start doing that when you start acting your age. Now what is your problem? Oh, is it so bad? The conji, is it too much that you now go about seducing young men? Young men that are interested in me. What is your problem? Why can't you just act your age for once?
I don't get it. I really do not get it. Cheru, are you saying all these things because you know I have a lot of men that are interested in a fine girl like me and I am equally interested in them? Is that a sin? What is your problem? No, I want to understand. What is your problem?
Did you just say fine girl?
Yeah,
no,
fine.
I will pass.
Yeah.
I am talking about Prosper. Prosper loves me and I love him too. Fine, I'm just playing hard to get because I want him to beg. So stop spoiling things for me by going after him.
Chero, did you say Prosper?
Yes, Prosper.
Potaba. My dear Potaba. Potaba from that side. You see that Prosper? If you're not Masim. And props, that Prosper. I saw him first. Yes, I saw him first. The boy in Abamanya. Ooh. I said I saw him first before he even saw you. So you see that Prosper? He's mine.
Okay.
Rapurumia.
Are you done?
I don't want to have problems with you.
No, you listen to me.
Me, I should listen to you.
Listen to me, Auntie. Putaba, it is you that will Putaba from Prosper. Prosper is mine. Leave young men for young women. Go after your mates. Go after your mates. You think is this one that say, see, once I did not warn you.
You see Prosper?
Beg.
He's mine. He's mine. There's nothing you can do about it. The boy in Abamanya. And if Abamanya is mine. You know what?
Why are you wearing a long face? What happened?
Papa, I am beginning to think that Auntie Eunice is the weapon form against me and my future.
What did she do?
What did she not do? That should be the question, Papa. She goes about seducing all the young men that are interested in me. I'm beginning to think that she wants to ruin my chances of getting married. So I will become 40 and single like her with no hope of getting married.
You know, what exactly is the problem? Why is it that you and your auntie are interested in the same men? Why? How old are these men even?
Papa, way younger than now. Young men! Young enough to be her son. She feels wearing all those short skirts and heavy makeup. It raises her old age. Papa, what now? Tell her to stay away from me. She should avoid anything that belongs to me.
What is going on? It's okay.
You. It is only a woman rapper. A man who doesn't have sense. A man who's so stupid that he does not even recognize the good thing that is being offered to him on a platter of gold. That will leave this to run his mouth to another woman. Huh?
First of all, I don't know what you're talking about.
Of course! That is your stock in trade. That is all you do. Pretend not to understand. I cut eyes for you. You pretended as if you did not understand. The next thing, I toasted you with my love language. You pretended again as if you do not understand. Yet, you ran to my niece to tell her that I was toasting you. Yeah?
But did I lie? You know I like your niece, but it did not stop you from trying to seduce me.
Are you married to her? No, I want to know. Are you married to her? Listen, let me tell you. You are still in the market. And anybody that has good purchasing power, good bargaining power can buy you. Do you hear me? And that is what I intend to do. You see I will get you. I will get you and I will use you the way I like.
What is all this? Allow me to rest now.
For what? For what?
I don't want you. I like Gladys.
Does she like you? No.
She likes me. Yes,
you?
she likes me. She's only pretending. She's playing hard to get. I know she like me.
Chai! Man. Oh my God. Why do you people like stress? Why do you like stress? Eh? Oh, she is playing hard to get. Then leave her and come to me. Me that is playing easy to get. Huh? Why do people like stress? That is what I want to know.
You know what? I will just pretend that this conversation did not happen.
That is the only thing you know how to do? But no matter how you pretend, the conversation happened. Okay? It happened. And you see you, Akufecha or Dalawo. You know what I'm saying? Akufecha or Dalawo. Because you see, you that is Ako, you must fall for me, Awo. Fool. I will get you. But the guy is fine. Woo! This boy, you hold my mumu button, I swear. Shake it for mama. Shake it. Shake it for mama.
Auntie, I am warning you for the last time. Stop harassing men that like me. We are not age men and we cannot be loving men born in the same generation.
You ain't supper. You lack manners. You lack home training. I don't blame you. Anyway, what do you actually mean by that? Are you saying that my generation has expired? Wait, let me ask you. You think because you are my brother's daughter that you are very young and I'm old? Have you looked at the back of your leg very well lately? Old age is creeping on you faster than you can imagine.
Oh, so this is what this painting on your face and this miniskirt has done to you. Yeah, stop it. Stop disgracing this family. Stop it.
You even said you're easy to get. That's so cheap. Is love supposed to be expensive? Was it not given to us freely? So, what makes you think it should be expensive? As in, why shouldn't it be cheap?
Because no man will value you if you come so easy.
Oh! That's the reason we've been playing hard to get, even though you like Prosper very well, right? Keep fooling yourself. A very sharp, demure, beautiful, sweet 16 spinster like me will color him and marry him sharp. Okay? So, continue. Let us see where your expensive love will take you to.
Auntie, have some shame. If you do not have borrow, your time has expired. Accept it. Where were you when your mates were loving? Where were you?
Love is like a butterfly, soft and gentle like a sigh, multicolored moods of love like a rolling wind. I feel it when you're with me. It happens when you kiss me. The warm, gentle feeling that I feel inside. will use old school love and trap him. Brother, you sent for me.
Exactly. And that is because I don't understand what is going on. Why is it that you and Gladys are fighting endlessly? And now I heard that the reason is because of a man?
I don't get it. The man is not even married to your daughter. So why is she being very greedy? Eh? Anybody has the right to try their luck and see if they can win. Love is for everybody. But she's always acting as if I am too old to love and be loved. Why is that? Or love?
To the best of your knowledge, Eunice, you and Gladys are not mates. You are not mates. In fact, you were already in existence as a full-blown girl when they get back to her. Why is it that finally both of you are fighting because of a man? That is very weird. Very weird.
Putaba. It will not work. You see, Gladys, both of us look alike, even though I'm finer. Yes.
Huh?
Then she's a woman and I am a woman. So why can't we fight over a man?
Forget this issue of claiming that both of you are women. Of course, I know both of you are women, but you are older. You are older. And even the young man in question, I even qualify that he's a very young man. Very young man. So what is this?
Listen. For me, age is a number. Love is ageless. Everybody can find love. Besides, why do people keep throwing this old age up and down everywhere? I don't understand.
Nobody is throwing old age. What we are saying is equation.
Happy equation. Equation will equate himself. As far as I'm concerned, I don't feel old. I feel so young and agile. And that is why I'm looking for a man that matches my inner self. And I see that man in Prosper. So go and tell your daughter. I can chapter my own. I'm ready.
It
shows I can know. You don't want me to marry again?
Marry somebody that when he files out and you file out, there will be equation balance. Can't you understand?
Do you know the man we're talking about? Have you seen him?
What I heard is that he's a small boy. Young man.
He's a full-fledged, marriageable man. That is all that matters. His age is by the way.
That you even defended this thing is very weird. It's very weird.
Chai. You are a beauty. You are a beauty. Maka. And I think this pink shade is the best shade I've used. It's popping my nose, popping my eyes, making my eyes look open. Oh my God. Oh, this is good. Woo. You are running. You are running.
What kind of face is this one? Why are you chasing me now?
Because you were running now. I thought you liked being chased. I also thought it was your love language. So I decided to indulge you.
What is the meaning of this? What is unnecessary exercise? Eh? What do you want from me? I cannot give you what you want.
That is okay. I don't have a problem with that. Ngwa, just accept what I'm giving you. Accept what I want to offer you.
And what is that you want to offer? What is it?
My love. Very pure, simple, easy, honest, and very simple love. Or should I also add experienced? My love is so experienced. You know, I've been in this love game market for a very long time. And I know what men want. I know that they don't want stress. They just want, somebody to be with them while they enjoy themselves. Okay? That is why I am telling you that my love is experienced.
I don't need your love. Eh? I like Gladys. What is all this?
That is because you have not tasted my kind of love. Trust me, if you take a bite, just a tiny bite, you will be hooked and you will finish up the whole plate. You will even ask for more. Okay? So just come. Why are you rejecting something I am giving you on a platter?
It's like anything I will see, I will start running away from you. I will keep on running away from you.
You see this, my leg? Hey, well, look, this leg is meant for running. I will chase you. I will chase you. Go and rest today. We'll do it again tomorrow. Okay? We'll do it again tomorrow. This boy get coconut head, I swear. Whew.
Papa, you need to go around the village. Everyone is talking about our family.
Uh-huh. Is it a bad thing? Oh, that is beautiful. At least we're becoming popular. Can't you see the bigger picture here? If brother decides to, contest for any election or any position, let's say Igwe or local government chairman, he's going to win by a landslide.
Not when you are popular for your bad and shameful acts. Everyone is talking about how you went after Prosper begging for his love.
The question begging for an answer, Eunice, is, did you do it?
And what is wrong with it? No, I want to know. What is wrong with it? Is it a crime? Why is it okay for a man to go and chase a woman, but when a woman chases a man, it is a problem? Is it not the same love both men and women are looking for? Does it matter who does the chasing and who is the chasee? As long as there is a chase and there is a cut, the love flows.
How come you are doing something that is so shameful and you're not even ashamed of yourself? In this part of the world where we live, it is the men who go chasing the women, not the other way around. What is this?
No, please. Please. Huh? I don't understand. Everybody is entitled to their own way of loving. Let me tell you, this world is so simple. You are the ones making it so complicated. What is wrong with if you see a guy that likes you and he doesn't say I love you? You go to him and say I love you, baby. I love you, baby. But your own kind of love is expensive. Potaba, because it can't be me. Brother's kind of love is patience. It can't be me either, because my kind of love is shameless. My love language is, I don't care about the insults. I don't care about the disgrace. I just go straight into the love. You know what I'm saying? Look at you with all your expensive kind of love. You are still as single as a lizard. Come, let me teach you how to love. You know what I'm saying? Woo! When you see someone you love, you just dive in. I don't have time for hanky-panky. Oh, no. I don't have that time. Once a guy crosses my path and I like you, one day I will chase you. I will chase you into the hole if I have to.
You see, Patrick just told me that he likes you. And based on what he said, I am thinking of mashing both of you.
Wait, is Patrick that same one we just greeted now?
Yes. He confided in me that he likes you. Honestly, I was actually thinking that no man will be interested in you because of the kind of skimpy thing you will always wear. And then this masquerade makeup you put on your face. But so, it just surprised me. I just realized that so many men don't even mind.
Listen, brother.
Yeah?
It's not everybody that think backwardly like you do. You understand? You feel me? No. I'm telling you the truth. Look at me. My dressing, my makeup, everything about me is new generation dressing. You feel me? A lot of people, when they look at me, all they see is a sexy, fine, sweet 16. Not indecent.
Maybe you are right. Patrick actually sees you the way you see yourself. So I want to ask you. He says he likes you. What do you think?
If Patrick is that same person we just greeted, Putaba from there, you know what I'm saying? Because that guy is too old for me. I can't even manage.
No, how can you say he is too old, whereas all of you are on the same age bracket? Huh? If there is a combination of Obo, I say Obo, gonna Patrick in Obo, because all of you are in your 40s. How can you say he's too old?
Jesus. Did you do something bad? Why do you look like you're hiding from someone?
That is exactly what it is. The fear of your auntie is the beginning of my misery.
My auntie?
Yes.
Is she still chasing you?
Yes. Anytime your auntie sees me, exercise, like compulsory exercise, I'll start running for my life. Do you know I can't even walk properly in this village? I will be sneaking around, praying that I will not run into her.
Hi. This old woman. What will I do so she can just give up? She's beginning to get under my skin.
Yes, that is what I'm telling you. Just say yes. Say yes to me, so she will back down, knowing that I have a girlfriend.
Oh, so you want to use me and get rid of my auntie, and you're proposing to me with empty hands? You think you can get me like that? They play. You're not even ready.
Just say whatever you want. See, I promise I will get it. I will provide it for you. See, I'm the only son of my father. I will sell all my father's property. I've not gotten anything because you have not said anything.
Well, I am not that cheap. But I would love to see you give me many things. Then I will decide on which moves my heart.
That is not a problem. It's not a problem. I can do that for you. Just say anything you want.
Give me many things and I will decide. I will pick from it. And because you can't afford me, so you wouldn't know what you can't afford to buy what I want.
Gladys. Gladys.
Don't touch.
Why are you doing like this now? Why are you? Gladys.
Don't touch me.
Welcome. You know, I never knew a day will come like this when marrying you off will become so easy.
Really?
I'm telling you.
I'm glowing so much these days that I just feel Nwokoye for that fools up, because what I see in this mirror, it's awesome. I don't know Nwokoye. Because
how I wish I can see what I see.
They're not seeing what I'm seeing.
That's good.
Okay. Anyway, I hope that Nwokoye, with his dirty teeth and old stinking mouth, is not asking for my hand in marriage.
Who is talking about Nwokoye? I am talking about someone much younger.
Ooh.
His son. He has decided that he's going to allow his son to come and pay your bride price. He's doing this actually because of friendship. You know?
Chiro.
What's that?
Nwokoye's son.
Yes!
Which one is that?
You don't know Nwokoye's son again?
Ew!
What's that?
He's too young!
Okay. No. Young man. Very young man. Exactly the type you want. Young, you know.
Really?
Very young.
Exactly the type I like. Is it not that his young son that narrowly escaped being an imbecile? An imbecile. In fact, let me put it in straight and plain language. That boy is half imbecile and half not normal.
What does that mean? We are talking about a young man who is a genius in computer science. He makes a lot of money.
But that does not cover the fact that that boy did not form well in his mother's womb. Oh, yuck! What? That can never be me. You, no. Listen, brother.
What's the problem?
I know that in your mind, you feel you have this responsibility to, marry me out. And the way I'm looking at you, you're in a haste. You cannot wait to marry me out. But is my case so bad that you want to push me to an imbecile?
Why are you saying an imbecile as if we are talking about an imbecile in the real sense of the word? You just said half imbecile, and now you are saying imbecile. What is your problem?
What is the difference? You
don't know the difference? What is the difference between a full bucket and half bucket? Is there a difference?
The difference is clear. No. It cannot be me. No, it cannot be me.
You know what? Your problem is actually your problem. Because all the efforts I am making to help you are not being appreciated.
Oh, please.
See what I'm saying?
Oh, please. You're not thinking this through.
What?
You want your nephews and nieces to turn out being half imbeciles and half human?
One who is making a lot of money. Why are you calling him an imbecile? An imbecile and he's making money? The kind of money he's making? Oh. The kind of money that you cannot make?
I can see you like money. Yeah. Hey, so marry him off! Marry him to your daughter. I asked for, you have an old daughter in the house.
No problem.
You don't want a rich in-law? You don't want a man to be spending on your daughter? Really? Good. Oui.
You see, I have been thinking. And I came to the conclusion that the time has come for me to allow you move freely. It is not as if that you're moving freely simply means that you have to sneak out to go and be with any boy. No. What I am saying is that if there is any boy that you are seeing, that you believe is serious and responsible, you should be able to bring him home and allow me to know him. Okay?
Papa, what happened? That you are thinking of not being strict again. Are you saying I am now free to date?
I cannot remember using the word date. And I don't know where it is coming from. What I am saying is that you should feel free. But that does not mean you are going to allow yourself to become intimate with any man. I didn't say that. Any man who wants to do that with you must first of all pay your bride price before anything. You are no longer getting younger. You are now in your late 20s. And you are ripe for marriage. And I am certain that there are men who are already becoming interested. Once you see any of them, bring and introduce to me so that we can start doing the needful immediately. Am I clear on this?
Yes, Papa.
Good.
But Papa, I am still very young. There are a lot of good men out there that I have not met and that I can still meet.
What?
And I do not want to settle for less by rushing into marriage now. Papa, I would advise you marry Auntie Eunice off. Because the way she's going, she might end up living in this house with you forever.
God forbid.
Okay.
How can you even say that? Come on, don't even take it that direction. I'm already walking on the ground. And very soon, I am going to marry her off. You are the focus here. Time is not on your side. In fact, time is never on the side of any woman because time is always tickling and before you know it, time is gone. I need you to do the needful. I don't know what you mean that there are so many men that you have not met. I don't understand what that means. That you are still planning to be seen. I don't understand. Settle for one as soon as possible so that we can do the needful. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
We are clear, right? Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Let me open my room and get me one bottle of beer.
Okay, sir.
Fast.
Oh yeah? Why did you wake me up by this time?
Why are you pretending as if you don't know why I woke you up? What is wrong with you? All the people who are working are already getting ready to go to their places of work. You are still sleeping because you don't have anything that you are doing. What is the problem? Can't you learn something that you should be doing for yourself? Learn a trade or maybe craft or something. Can't you do it?
Why do you like stressing yourself so much? I don't have a job. Everybody knows that I don't have a job. So why do you expect me to wake up when people that have jobs are waking up?
So why don't you have a job?
Yes.
Why don't you have a job? At least. Get married at least.
Oh, God. Not
Of course, you should be talking about that. Every single effort I have made towards making you a better human so that you can be married, you have frustrated me in all the fronts. And remember that I made a promise to our parents that I am going to make sure you are married and comfortable before I break my last. You have not allowed me to fulfill that promise.
Why are you even saying this early morning? Why is this the topic this early morning? In fact, why am I hearing this thing first thing in the morning?
Because it has to be discussed.
Marriage, brother, listen. It's like you do not understand that marriage is a lifelong journey. Marriage is for better, for worse. Marriage is not something you jump into because you can easily jump out of it. So I should be able to marry a man that not only stirs something in my heart, but also stirs my body. You know what I'm saying? Like jiggy, boom, boom. And the people you have been bringing, they have fallen so short. They don't even measure up.
These kind of people that you are targeting, are you working towards anyone? I need to know, are you working towards anyone? Because you need to present somebody to me so that we can at least know that there is something that is up there. You're not showing anybody. And I need to understand, what exactly is the problem? What exactly is the problem?
Anyway, for me, I feel young. I'm still young. I'm young at heart. So don't stress me. People should not stress me. People are stressing me.
Do you realize that this madness that you are exhibiting, I was the one that was originally mad. Finish madness before you go to your turn. You don't know?
Yes, sir. You know we have a lot of things in common. You that is talking, why are you not married? Are your mates not remarrying? Or is it a crime for a widower to marry? Or is it that you have not seen a woman to marry? Or is it because I'm here doing all the wifely work for you?
No. If you were me, that the wife has died, and you have a sister in the house who is like you, will you ever think of punishing any woman by bringing her inside that place? I'm asking you.
I know what you just said with style. You just insulted me. Oh, you're using style to say that if you bring a woman, I will disfigure the woman.
Eunice!
You are very correct. You are very correct.
This is the last time we are discussing this.
Thank you.
Think about yourself.
Thank you.
Think about yourself.
I'm going back to sleep.
I'm not
thinking about anything. I sleep by there, so I don't come to wake me again.
What do you want?
Well, I just saw your auntie and she promised never to chase me again. So I decided to tell you, is that not a good news?
What has that got to do with me?
You know, whenever I tell you that she's trying to seduce me, I see it on your face like you are kind of upset. So I think this is the right moment for us to be together. Now she's no longer disturbing us.
And what makes you think this is the right moment? Now, am I supposed to be happy about this news? You were more attractive when I was competing for your attention. So what do you expect me to do now?
Well, I thought you'd be happy with this. You knowing that I'm now free, that we can be in this relationship without any problem, any interference from her. Is it not what we want?
Prosper. I guess when it was raining foolishness, you forgot to put on an umbrella. No, so you expect me to accept my old cargo auntie's leftover? No, I should accept a man or a boy she rejected. How?
First of all, I never dated your auntie, let alone to be considered a leftover.
Oh.
No.
I don't think so. Prosper, listen. This should be the last time you preach love to me. Because I'm a very nice person. I can accept to be your friend and nothing more.
Well, a nice relationship starts from friendship. So I will keep on hoping that will work out.
Continue to hope. You will grow grey hairs in your armpits.
But Gladys, sweet.
This is actually very unbelievable. You mean a new community leader has been selected and we are not even aware? Oh no, how come we didn't vote?
I heard he emerged unopposed. All other contenders backed up for him. I heard that he paid them off.
So who is this man? Is he someone who lives with us in this our community?
They said he's a very rich businessman in the city. Nobody knows what he looks like, but they said he's very powerful. People believe that he will build modern schools, hospitals and markets. They said he's very rich.
Well, if he is that kind of leader who will bring development to our community, I don't have a problem. Or do you have a problem with him? I don't.
I don't have a problem either. But what bothers me is his first line of action as a community head. He did not show himself first to us. Neither did he gather us to address us. Instead, he came up with a law that said that any girl or any lady that is up to 35 years and still unmarried will be subjected to a free community service.
What kind of useless law is that? I mean, why will he be blaming the ladies? Will they marry themselves? What community service is he talking about?
He said they will be sweeping streets.
What?
Clearing farmland for the aged.
What?
That will act as a punishment for them so that they will start taking men's advances seriously. And that they will continue like that yearly until they get married.
I am not comfortable with this at all. At this modern age, no, it doesn't make sense to me. How can anybody be taken in that direction? Of all other things that a leader should be thinking of doing for this community, is facing the ladies that are not married, punishing them? No. I'm not comfortable at all.
You said there is news. That better be juicy or I will not forgive you for wasting my time.
I didn't just bring you out here to see your face. Even though I still want to see your face, but I have a gist for you.
I am listening. What's the gist?
Well, we have a new head of community. He doesn't base in this village, but he's our new head of community and he will be staying around.
Who is he?
Well, a son of the soil and a very successful businessman. And nobody knows what he looks like, whether he's young or old. But only know about his profile.
He will definitely be an old man. It takes years to attain such wealth and success you just described. So, is this the news?
Well, he has made a law to punish any lady above 35 years that is still single. They will be involved in free community service to the aged and elders.
What?
Yes.
How is a woman to be blamed for not getting married?
Eh, but I wanted to marry you. Whose fault is it?
That is different.
It is different.
Well, this so-called law or punishment has nothing on me. I am far from 35. I just pity my old auntie who is already 40. That simply means that punishment awaits her in a short skirt and loud makeup.
You think so?
Uh-huh.
Very soon you'll be 35. Oh.
Who will be 35 soon? You my father.
Hey. You're not running today.
Do I have a reason to run? You promised never to chase me again. And I hope you don't go back on your word.
I wouldn't dare do that. Put Taba from there because I ain't doing it no more. You know what? I went home the other day and I thought about the whole thing. And I saw a clearer picture of everything. And it just dawned on me that you are not really that handsome. Nah, look at your head. It's out of shape. Your mother did not press your head well with hot water when you were born. That is why your head has the shape of a trapezium. I don't need it. Do you understand? So, you can take your trapezium head to whoever wants it. I clearly do not need it. I mean, I'm too fine for you.
No problem, whatever you say.
Yeah.
But you seem so relaxed.
Of course.
It's like you have not heard what the community head said. That you and your super single ladies in this community will be facing a penalty. You haven't heard?
Really? Why would you do that? I don't understand. Did we commit a crime? Huh? I know you're just saying all these things because of the way I insulted your shapeless head. My dear, your head is still shapeless, okay? So, nice try. Next time, try something a bit more intelligent because you actually sound dumb now. Tata, take your shapeless head to whoever needs it. It can't be me.
Sonny, I came because I don't like what I am hearing.
What are you hearing?
That you are about to leave for the village.
Oh,
Why now?
my uncle. My uncle with his big mouth. Well, this is supposed to be a private matter, okay? And if I may ask, why not now? Okay, I have something very important I got myself involved in. And that's why I'm going to the village.
Are you already bored with the city that you want to leave for the village?
Douglas, why are you sounding like I'm doing something crazy? Why can't you understand? Can't I give back to my community again?
Is there something you are up to that you are not telling me? Because it's been many years that you have not visited the village. And all of a sudden, is there something you are not telling me?
Okay, my friend. Let me explain this to you. This is a son going back to his people and also getting acquainted with his land. Do you get it?
I can't say I got what you just said because, Sonny, you are my best friend. I know you very well. You are a person that does not do something without reason. So what is the reason behind what you are about to do? Professional gain? Personal? What's going on?
My analyst. Whoever that hears this, your analysis, will think I'm doing something out of place. You're doing well, my friend. But let me tell you, okay? This is a private issue. Yes, it's very, very personal, okay?
I still need to be cleared, Sonny. I think there's still a missing link. What is going on? What are you not telling me?
Douglas, can you let me get something for you to drink?
Sonny, I'm coming with you.
To where?
We should go together.
So that you can come and spy on me? No. Like I said, it is a personal journey. So please, thanks for your concern. Let me get you something to drink. What do you care for? Have champagne?
Are you serious?
So, babe.
I'm going to miss you.
Sure. I will miss you more.
Please come around soon, okay? Do not keep your woman waiting for so long. Mwah. Alright, my love.
Babe, there's something I would like to ask you.
Okay.
I want to know, don't you like me enough to get married to me? When we have been dating for 5 years, 5 good years, our baby is supposed to be celebrating his first birthday by now. What's going on?
Babe, what are you even saying? Are you trying to tell me that you're tired of waiting? And why are you even in a hurry to get married?
Because life is unpredictable. Life is unpredictable. We cannot want to achieve whatever we want to achieve exactly how we want it. Life is truly unpredictable.
Baby, you're sounding strange to me right now. What are you even saying? I should be the one in a hurry and not you. So what are you saying? Calm down, okay? And are you going to the village?
Oh yes, I'm going to the village. And in that village, I heard that there are beautiful women. And majority of these women are single. Yes. Now, I would like to beg you, accept me to be your husband. So that not when I get to that village and my heart has been taken away from you, and you begin to find it very difficult to get back at me.
Babe, look, let me tell you. Your threats holds nothing. It doesn't mean anything to me. Because I know that you love me, my boy. And I will always be for you. So no woman is going to take you away from me. And I am not afraid of what you are saying. Okay?
So you're ready to take the risk of sending me to my community? Are you ready for what will come for you? Are you ready to dance the dance?
What will come to me? There is nothing that will come to me. What are you even saying? See, let me tell you, remove this thing. Threat doesn't look good on you, okay? So stop threatening me. Stop it, baby. I'm going to miss you. That's the most important thing.
Yeah, I will miss you too. No, I'll call you.
Are you sure?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Yeah. Alright, baby.
Alright. Take good care of yourself.
Be good. Mwah. Bye, my love.
Bye-bye.
Chokolo, what is this? I don't understand. Where did it start? Are you not confirming to me that you now have a new thread of becoming an assistant to the village chief priest? What is this?
I can see you do not understand the meaning or what my painting symbolizes. It simply means that I have rejected that law. Yes, I have rejected that law. I hate the law. I am pained because of that law. And because I am pained, I am going out to organize my fellow young, beautiful, sexy, single girls so that we can go out there and protest because this is getting too much.
Wait.
Yes.
You are planning to go and protest while you're living under my roof? Who told you can do that? No, am I the one you want to put into trouble? A community that is being led by a faceless man who we don't even know, who can kill at the slightest provocation, you want to go and protest? What is wrong with you? Can't you just humble yourself and do this punishment? It is not going to kill you.
Brother, Putaba from there. Memia, never. It will not work. I will not do it. No, I don't understand. Why should a woman be punished because she is not married when she will not marry herself? No, brother, just think about it and tell me, because all this pashad I like here, I don't like it. Why are men not being also punished? They should be punished. After all, it's also their fault. They are the one to do the proposal. They are the one to go and find a woman to marry, not a man. Even in all my glory, in my beauty, in everything that makes me a woman, I stooped low. Yes, I stooped low to go and propose to some nincompoops, some foolish boys. Vanessa Manya rejects him. They rejected me.
But are you calling one out of my way? Didn't I find some husbands for you? Including the Calabar man that is selling chemist down the street, who promised me that he will never force you to eat dog. He promised me. Didn't you reject him? What are you saying?
So no Calabar, you like here.
Is he not the husband? No, is he not the husband? You should be mature enough to blame yourself when you are guilty. Accept when you are guilty. Because I found husbands for you. You rejected them, and now you are complaining. What is this?
Anyway, I made up my mind. So if you like, talk from now till tomorrow. I will not change it. I am angry and I'm going to show them my anger. I am going out there and I will organize my girls.
Listen.
We are going to protest.
Listen. There is a difference between being ruled by a man who you know and a man that nobody knows. This man, from what I gathered, is a money road. He can get angry very easily. This man can kill you. Go inside and prepare for this punishment.
The Chris, what they do me now? Eh? The man I'm they been Sibia. Don't worry about me. I'm going out there to organize my girls. We are going to protest. Sandra, you got no hours cause. You got no hours cause.
I will ask them to that's just the place I'll ask them to bury. If you don't want.
It's very good now. Once you come out, you're from. I don't know. You see, I'll always be with you.
You didn't tell me you would be coming.
That is because I am not here on a friendly visit. I am here on an official capacity. I have been instructed to summon your sister and show her the parcel of land that she's supposed to clear.
I don't understand.
Yes.
The person who gave this order has not actually shown himself for us to know who he is. And the order is already being carried out. And you are here saying that, talking about the order.
It's the villager, the cutlass that they need to perform the work. Listen, Ibe, that man is a very rich man. He's well connected. Nobody knows anything about him, nor his weaknesses, which makes him a difficult enemy to contend with.
So you are not saying that we have become so weakened in this community that we cannot protest? No, why should my sister be the very first person that should be exposed to this punishment? I don't understand. Why is he even punishing only the single ladies? What about the single boys in this community? Many of them have become playboys with plenty of money in their pocket and they are not thinking of getting married. How come nobody is punishing them? How come nobody is talking about them?
Well, I agree with you. But you will leave that for the meeting of the village chiefs. As for now, the guy is cast. Summon your sister for the punishment.
I cannot summon my sister because my sister is not in the house. She's not here. Oh yes.
How dare you disturb my siesta? How dare you? Hey, be very careful. Are you okay? Shebi, if I woos you now and you turn pink, they will say I'm wicked. I'm a wicked auntie.
Your brother said I should come and call you.
I can see you don't like your life, right? I can see you do not cherish your life. So is it every message that they send you, you will go? No, is it every message that they send you, you will move and go and risk your life? Huh?
Auntie, I did not insult you. So don't insult me. If you're pissed, quietly leave this room and go and beat your brother. I am only a messenger. They have found a job for you. They have decided on your punishment and you need to carry it out.
Never. Potato from there. It can't be me. I'm not going anywhere. I ain't going nowhere. I am not coming out. In fact, I am not leaving this room today. Even if that useless community head, Abi community bomb, decides to come to this room, I will not even spare him a look. Yes! Because he should come and tell me what women did to him. No! What did women do to him that he has decided to hate single girls? What is his problem? Huh? What is his problem? Why are they punishing me because I am single? Is it by my making? Is it my fault? Will I marry myself? Is it not by circumstances? So why should I be punished because of that? Huh? So please, just shoo out of my room because I need my beauty sleep.
I think you're right. Because what is all this? Maybe it could be possible he proposed marriage to his lover. And she turned him down and decided to pursue her dream. That's why he hates singles. I think so.
You are actually not as dumb as you look.
Auntie?
Yeah, I think you're right. Maybe. But that is his freaking problem. Don't you think? He should go and settle with the woman. I mean, how is it our business? Let him go and vent his anger on his woman and leave me the hell alone. I don't understand it. Oh, gosh.
Well, I am seeing the brighter side of this whole thing. At least now, your shakara will be suspended for 3 good days so that all of us can breathe well. You get the point? You know it will be a big disaster for you to wear, that your heavy makeup and skimpy things and go and clear grasses. You know that big black ants? Those ones that used to stay in the bush. Those ones that have antenna on their head. They will soak all the blood from this your old woman leg and your leg will not be like this. Like this.
You see you. May a very angry bedbug, an old woman bedbug, the one that is about to enter menopause, bite you. Now get out of my room!
Go on, sorry.
Get out! Get out! Fools. I don't blame you. In your mind, you think you are young, right? Nwokoye ne 35. Fool.
Looking for this auntie. And where do you think you're going?
I want to leave this village. Yes, I want to leave this useless village that decided to treat me like a thief just because I am not married. Now, if you know what is good for you, give me that key.
You know, I knew you would do a thing like this. Can't you see this may be what you need? Or you just want to keep parading the village like a baddie when you are an old single woman? Watch your tongue. If I don't?
Watch your mouth. I am not your mate.
I know.
And you are in no position to tell me what to do or what I need. Now hand over that key, else I will take it from you. And you know I can do it.
I would love to see you try. Need I remind you that I'm younger and stronger than you? I will not let you leave this place. So try it.
You are younger,
yes,
and stronger.
And stronger, yes. Give me that key. Give it to me. Give me that
key. What is this? What are you doing fighting in the middle of the night? What is this?
Papa, she's trying to escape. I caught her trying to run away and I refused giving the keys and she's fighting for it.
Are you sick in the head? You tried to escape? Escape to where exactly? Why in this world will you be trying to escape? After everything we have been through, you want to escape? Are you not aware that if you should run away, that I should be the one that you hold responsible? So why will you in the first place try to escape?
Brother, thank you, okay? Thank you for everything you have ever done for me. But right now, I need to get out of this God-forsaken village. A foolish village that decided to treat me as in moi, like a common criminal just because I am not yet married. Is it my fault?
The same village that has given you everything has become God-forsaken? What is wrong with you?
Now, marry, I know marry you. I know keep person. You know that? Huh? Do you know that?
Listen to me. The people that will always face the law, do you think they have two heads? No, do you think they are more beautiful than you are? Do you think they have anything that you don't have? No, they don't have anything. So I'm asking you to relax. You have to face the law. Look the law in the face and face it.
I will not subject myself to that humiliation.
But by the very minute you decided to run away, you have decided to humiliate yourself. So you're not going anywhere. You have to stay back here and face the law. Take her back inside.
Hey,
Papa, I should carry
it now. Papa said.
Thank you. And where exactly are you going? Dressed like this?
I am going to the farm to work, to do my punishment. Yeah, you heard me right. I have finally decided to go and do the punishment. Is that not what you've always wanted? Is that not what you want? Is that not what you have always told me? Hey, you don't want to be treated like a criminal because of me. So I decided that I don't want you to be treated like a criminal. So I am going to do my punishment for peace to reign.
Auntie, wait. You mean you're going to clear grass dressed this way? Wait, what are you planning to seduce? Is it the ants, mosquitoes, or the grasses?
Were you expecting me to go to the farm dressed like a farmer? Huh? Am I a farmer? I am still Eunice Obi, the sexiest, the sweet 16, the hottest, the cheekiest, in fact, the demurest. And nobody will dull my swag. Not even that useless entity that calls himself the village chief or head or whatever. He can't try it.
Eunice, can you understand that the issue here is actually very serious? Can you understand that the man who is in charge now is a very brutal man who can go to any extent to get what he wants achieved? What are you saying? You are going for punishment and this is the best you can wear? Please, wear something that when you are walking and when you bend down, as you are clearing the whatever, that your clothes will not tear. Can you do that for your family?
Am I too sexy for you people? Huh? Just like a fine girl, a sexy girl. And I'm going there to walk like a sexy girl. So I have looked at myself and I think I'm okay.
You have looked at yourself and you think you are okay.
Yeah.
Now we, the members of your family, we think you are not okay. And we want you to go back and dress so that you can protect the image of this family and not make caricature of the name of this family. Go and dress well. What is this?
You people are asking me for a favor. I too need a favor. Let somebody follow me to the farm and help me with the work.
The machete you are holding is my machete. The shovel you have on the other hand is equally mine. I have given you those two to facilitate your work. What else will I do?
Please. Okay. Fine.
Good.
I've exhausted half of the energy that I'm meant to use to work to talk to you. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. You better watch out for sexy Eunice, cause I'm coming back better, harder and stronger. Don't tell me to go back, because I'm not gonna listen to you guys again. Okay. I will not do that again.
Whoever did this will not go scot-free.
My God. Oh, this community head. God will punish you. God will curse you and your generation. Ha! You see the tears, my tears, and the tears of all the single women you have subjected to this humiliation will form a blanket on top of your destiny. You will never prosper. My God. You see you. May things you don't know about perish you. May you suffer for things you did not cause for yourself. Wicked goat. You will cry and nobody will hear your tears. Nobody will hear your cries. Nobody will see your tears. Nobody will come to console you. You will stay in a bush like this and cry for the rest of your life. In fact, Chinchi Bara for only white. Wicked goat. Community head, my foot. That your head will burst. Ew. Oh.
Eunice, my friend.
What are you doing here? No, I don't understand. What are you doing here? Yes! I am doing the punishment that they gave me. Are you okay? I am busy. So please, shoo! Get out!
Eunice, what is it now? Eh? We used to be very close friends. This time around, if you see me, you will just get unnecessarily irritated. What is it? Or is it because I got married before you?
Putaba, Putaba from there. You think you can mock me when you are married to a toad? Excuse me? So when they call people that are married, you will hop out and claim married woman. Please, please, you don't have a say, okay? Just get out. I am busy. I am busy.
Anyway, I know that the one married is better than the one single. You can continue to look down on him. At least in the eyes of the villagers and the community head. I am known as a married woman. No one will humiliate me. No one will give me punishment. Can't you see that? You can see that it is women like us that are married that will be cheering you up. That will come and tell you to be strong. Continue to be strong. Enugo, imago, jisike.
Instead of me to be married to that your kind of husband, I will gladly walk on all the farms in this village. But don't gloat yet. Because you see me, as in more, I'll be married by next. In fact, what's this year? Before the year runs out, I will be married. Yes, I'll be married. I'll marry a better man. Yes.
Eunice. It's not by mouth, It's not by mouth, Eunice, I don't know. Do you have any man around? As in, is there anyone you keep waiting for you? Because I know that people like you, it is very difficult for them to find one man.
Of course.
Just
because
one man.
We have class, we have standards, and we don't settle for anything just to be called marriage, just the way you did. But don't worry. Before the year runs out, you will see me with my man, tall, hunky, and you know what I'm saying? Not like you, that is married, yet you are the man in the house. I want to be a baby girl. You know what I'm saying? So for that, I will gladly walk on the farm until I find the man that is worthy of my heart. Now, if you will excuse me, take your tiny legs out of my workplace because this baby girl wants to work. Yes.
You will continue to work.
Yes, no problem.
For me, have bread is better than none. At least I have my own husband.
Go and baby the man you have left in the house.
Gladys, you are here. Good. Take this. Wash it properly. Then put it in a very small pot and start boiling it. There is somebody who is coming here very early in the morning. I need to give him a cup of it. That is my medicine for him.
Okay, Papa, I'll do that now.
No, and before you leave, is Eunice back in the house?
No.
What happened?
I was told the farmland is very big. I honestly feel for her.
So why are you not feeling for yourself? I don't understand. Is it that you don't know that you are already supposed to be married by now? How long do you think it will take before the so-called 35 will equally hit you so hard? How long?
Papa, what are you saying? Please, I still have time. Lot of it.
Who told you that you have time? The issue here is 35. You are 28. 27 going to 28. What difference does it make? 27 to 28 and 35. How many years do you still have? Are you not supposed to be thinking of getting married so that you can go at this time that you are very ripe? This time that you still have energy for it. What are you waiting for?
Okay. What if there is a good man out there waiting for me? No, I should settle for the ones I'm seeing now, not knowing the best man is on his way to me.
You need to understand that there is no time. You may be thinking you are waiting for the best man that you may never see. And then before you know it, 35 is here. You are supposed to understand what they say, what they mean when they say, make hay while the sun shines. You should be able to understand what that means. Because there are so many people that are in your shoe, hoping that the best man is still there. And before they know it, what they are seeing is menopause. And that is not my prayer for my daughter. Yes, listen, every time they will do this way, and this has never solved any problem. Has it never solved any problem? Everybody is doing like this. It has never solved any problem. Solve your problem by yourself. Ah! My sister, I am so sorry. It will soon be over.
My God, I am dying. I cannot believe
Allow her to sit down. Allow her to sit down. She's your auntie.
Sorry, sis.
I can't believe I'm going to still do this thing tomorrow and next tomorrow. What is my crime? What did I do? So they are punishing me and treating me like a criminal just because I am not married? You know that community chief or community head? God will punish him. His head will fall. He will feel pains for the rest of his life. My God.
I don't like the man who falls.
My
I'm
back
sorry.
aches.
I'm so sorry.
There are blisters all over my hands.
I'm sorry. I will massage you. I can feel your pain. Let me relieve it.
You do that for me?
Of course I will.
Thank you.
I equally hate this law as much as you do. It is not fair
You
now.
should. It's not a good law at all.
How can they treat my auntie like a common criminal?
This is terrible. This is so terrible. Get off! What the hell? I'm trying to massage you. Was that a massage or a punishment? You know I do not blame you. I blame myself. I should have known.
It's not
Don't
your
worry.
fault.
Don't worry. Be laughing. Very soon. You'll be 35. You'll be 35.
I thought you said you are tired.
35 is calling. 35 is calling
you.
Huh?
You see trouser will reach you where he reach another woman. You are laughing now, right?
Stop swearing for you.
No, let's even go. Don't even go there. Very soon, I'm not the community here. You will go to the community.
I am not the community. Don't transfer your aggression.
It's like you're deceiving this girl. She thinks she's young.
So you're a liar.
She thinks she's young.
You're a liar.
Nonsense. Get out of my face. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm tired. What kind of punishment is this? Why am I even wasting my time? Why am I even wasting my time here? Huh? Dulling my swag. God, I'm too global for this. And I can't see any man around. Since I've been coming here, I've not seen any man. Just wasting my sexy clothes for nothing. You know what? They think they are smart. I'm done. From today, I will not do any work again. Once I come to the farm, I'll just go and look for a shade, a beautiful shade, and I'll stay there, sleep until evening, then I start going home. After all, why should I be punished because I am single? Let me go and look for a beautiful shade. Buy some snacks and take care of myself. My sexy self. What? It's a man. It's a man. What? It's a man. A man. Hello? 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 Jeez! It's a man! The man is lying down here! Help! 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 Hey! Hey! A man is lying down here! Is he dead? I don't know! He might be dead! No. Is he dead? I don't think so. Help! Somebody is lying down here! A man! Help! Brother, is he going to be okay? What's actually wrong with him?
What I can tell you is that his spirit was actually on the verge of leaving his body.
My God.
Had it been you didn't bring him, I mean you didn't find him the time you did, he would have died. He is lucky that you found him.
But who is he? He doesn't look like someone that is from around here. Look how expensive he looks. Like someone that is very rich.
Yeah, I actually agree with you. He looks like someone that was just passing through the village, you know? So, how come he ended up by the side of the road unconscious? And what must have happened to him?
What I am suspecting is that maybe he was kidnapped. Yes, and as they were torturing him, he passed out. And now they decided to dump him that same place you found him.
Oh.
But he's lucky because his spirit would have left his body.
Whatever is the case, when he wakes up, he will tell us. But Papa, this man looks like trouble. We should not keep him here. I am sure someone will be looking for him and will be blamed for whatsoever happened to him.
He's still alive. We should be able to help.
And he looks fine.
If he continues inhaling these leaves, before sunset today, he's going to wake up.
Auntie!
Look at his toes. And you know what they say about men with long toes? Hey!
You are awake? Eunice! Gladys! He's awake. You need to relax. Don't move. Because you are lucky to be alive. You need to relax. Relax. You cannot move.
Oh, finally.
Who are you? What am I doing here?
Can I help you? Can you just get up?
I found you unconscious. Oh, yes. Listen, as in Moa, I saved you. Yes, I saw you by the roadside. You were unconscious. So, can you remember how you got there? Because I need to know. How did you get there?
I can't remember anything. I guess it saved my life.
Yes, I did. I saved your life. So tell us, is there anybody we can call? Anybody we can contact? Maybe your family member, your friend, your relative? Or maybe someone that might be missing you?
I can't recall. I can't remember anything.
Sir, what is your name? or your family name. Maybe your family is well known. We could reach out to them and tell them that you're here. I am sure they are looking for you, so just tell us your name.
My name is... My name is... Why can't I remember my name?
So,
You cannot remember your own name?
My name...
Okay, what about your father's name?
My father's name?
Yes.
I can't remember.
Yeah!
I said it too.
Why can't I remember my father's name?
See, see what I am suspecting. It is possible that the effect from the torture from those kidnappers has made him to forget everything. You know, the impact was so much. That's why he lost memory of even where he came from. Telling you. What?
That must be a very serious sickness. That's what I think. It's a big sickness.
Papa, like I said before, and I am saying it again, we cannot keep this man here. Let's take a photograph of him, go inside the village in search of somebody that may know him so they can come for him. We cannot keep him. Oh.
Gladys is right. Ha! That is actually the best thing for us to do because we don't have a reason keeping him here.
Now we do have a reason to keep him here.
How do you mean?
Are you people not seeing the bright side of things? I mean, have you thought of the fact that maybe, just maybe, God has decided to send a husband to me from heaven? I mean, this guy does not know who he is, doesn't have anybody, does not even remember anything. That simply means that anything we tell him, anything we feed him is what he's going to believe.
So we should tell him that you like this, you're his wife.
You are smarter than I thought.
So until you think because he has lost his memory, so he's a very stupid person. Huh? Listen to me. There is no way that man would believe that he was married to a funny old woman like you.
Putaba from there, okay? Putaba! Don't even try to insult me. You know I don't blame you. Because you are still young, you think you are better than me? Anyway, just get out. I'm not talking to you.
She has a point.
She doesn't have any point. Brother, listen. Let's just tell him that I am his fiancé. You know? Tell him that we're about to get married. In fact, we can even tell him I was the one he was coming to the village to see before he had an accident. Trust me, it will work. It is what we tell him that he will take.
But there is no guarantee that he is going to accept to end up with you as his wife. I mean, what is the guarantee that what you are saying now is going to work?
Papa, I don't understand you. Don't tell me you're considering what she's saying. Are you no longer a principled man? What's going on here?
Yes, I'm a very principled man. You know, we cannot afford to do this because it will amount to deceit. That means we have just told a lie and we shouldn't be doing that kind of thing.
But brother, were you not the one that said you want me to get married at all costs? You even promised Mama and Papa that you were going to see me settled in my own husband's house before you even do anything for yourself. So what if this is the only opportunity that you have? And you know opportunity comes just once. Take it.
She has a point.
Huh?
Yes.
Close your mouth! Besides, brother, I like him.
Yeah.
I like him so much. Ooh, he does things to my heart. And those fingers, those toes, I want them for myself. Brother, remember when I told you that I am looking for a man, you know, that will do things to my heart, that will do my heart.
Yeah, yes.
This one actually does it. Bogo. Dugu. I need him.
You can understand what you say.
Shut up!
We can take advantage.
Exactly.
Family advantage.
We can plan it well. You know, he will be my husband and everything will be settled.
I know that look. Once you disapprove of my action, you wear that face. What is it?
You're right. Papa, I cannot believe you joined Eunice to commit fraud. Eunice is a desperate single lady. There's nothing straight about her. Not you, Papa. You should be a voice of reasoning.
Well, I am equally a desperate brother and a son who has a duty to the family to make sure that the sister is married. Okay?
But that marriage will be considered a sham. We don't even know this man. We do not know his real name. We don't even know anything about him. How can she get married to a total stranger?
Well, consider it an emergency marriage. This will not be the first time it will be happening. Your sister has to be married so that her marital status can change from single to married. When it comes to the point of identity crisis, forget about that. One way or the other, we are going to find a way to cross the hurdle.
Papa, you and Auntie Eunice, you're playing with fire. You're playing with serious fire. That man looks very rich. But did you see his skin? I mean, did you touch his palm? So soft.
Did you see
he could be someone rich and powerful and you could be locked up for life, for lying.
Did you see my own skin? You see the way that is French? Well, I agree with you that what we are doing is risky. But you will equally agree with me that it is better for us to be doing something than not doing anything at all. Okay? Your auntie, Eunice, she needs to be married. And what we need to do for her as family is to rally around her and get her married. That's what we are doing. Smile. Smile.
Papa,
About the one that is fresh. Am I not fresh? Did you touch my own body? See how fresh I am?
Has any of you found out anything about me? Perhaps there's somebody out there looking for me.
There won't be any need for that. You know, those questions we were all asking you that day was just to ascertain the depth of the problem we're facing. Listen, my brother here is a very powerful traditional medicine practitioner.
Renowned.
Very renowned.
Yes. Everybody knows him, you know. So he was asking all those questions so that he will understand the extent of the damage, the accident caused.
It means you now know who I am. What is my name?
Monday.
First day of the week.
Very beautiful name. So, now, who am I to you people?
You don't know that one?
This question.
This is very serious.
Oh my God. This question saddens me so much. I cannot believe you do not recognize me. Your fiancé. You are my love. You are my husband to be. We were so much in love. We even planned to get married once you come back from your business trip. You told me you were traveling and once you come back, we tied knots. And then somehow I found you by the side of the road and I was confused.
Hey, it's water. You gotta drink water.
You have to drink water.
Yes.
I don't understand. What were you doing in town? What were you planning to surprise me or what? Huh?
Your answer surprises me too.
Are you serious?
Yes. You mean I'm your fiancé?
Of course, we're so much in love.
I mean, how I wish you can recall how both of you were related that time. Very close.
Yes.
How both of you were in love.
Our love was the talk of the town. Like everybody knew us together. I'm telling you. They were rooting for us. My God. Please, I want my old Monday back. I want my old Monday, the Monday that loved me so much, the Monday that couldn't do anything without me. Oh, please.
Yes.
I want him back.
Monday. Sir, I took a walk around this village and I heard of the law punishing single ladies. It means Eunice is enduring a lot because of me.
I am not going to allow you to be hit so badly on the account of that. No. It is just that she's passing through circumstances that I can say are beyond her control.
I worry that I do not have money to marry Eunice right away. I worry that, she's not supposed to be passing through these things when she has a fiancé. It's very embarrassing.
I actually need to understand what you are saying here. Are you telling me that had it been that if you have money, you would have paid for a bride price?
Exactly what I'm saying.
Hey.
Exactly what I'm saying. She's not supposed to pass through all this when she did not cause it. It's not her fault. She cannot marry herself.
Hey. This is becoming interesting. Well, on the issue of money, there is something we can arrange. Because a man who wants to pay for a woman's bride price should be able to earn the money he will use in doing that. I have a friend who has a large parcel of land that needs to be cleared. I am going to arrange for you to be the one who will clear that land. And then the money you are going to earn, you will use it to pay for her bride price. And then we can pick it up from there.
Are you serious?
Yeah, of course.
But I don't have a home to take Eunice to. Eunice told me that I am an orphan. That the woman that raised me is dead. I'm now living with you and her.
She said all that to you?
Yes, she said that.
That means she said a lot already. But that will not be a problem. The important thing is that we now have a way to solve the problem. You are going to, do the clearing, and then you are going to earn the money, and then you pay the bride price. After paying the bride price, both of you can continue to live under my roof until everything becomes normal and you start making money for you to be able to put a roof over your own head. What about that?
It's beautiful. Thank you very much. You're a kind man. You're a very kind man. And I promise I will never look down on this, your kindness.
No.
I will not take it for granted.
You are actually a good man. And the good things will always come to good people. We will run it.
Thank you.
We will run it well.
I know I was one of the people that witnessed your sister's marriage. I want again say congratulations.
Thank you very much, my very good friend. I am excited. Excited in the sense that finally I was able to fulfill the promise I made to my parents. Eunice is married. To God be the glory.
I heard that your brother-in-law is suffering from amnesia, memory loss. Are you not bothered marrying your sister to a man like that?
I don't know why should I be bothered? Look at the way you qualified it with very big grammar, as if to say it is no longer sickness. Yes, he is sick, but he's going to be healed. Should we begin to judge a man based on something he cannot control? It does not make sense. He is sick, and we are hoping that he will get better. The most important thing is that my sister loves him. And as long as she is happy in that marriage, I don't have any problem with it.
You are right. Honestly, you are right. The good thing is that she will not be among the ladies that will punish next year. After all, she's married.
Yeah, because she's not just married. If you say she's married, you are not saying it well. She is married to a man, vibrant young man, who is very fresh. You understand what I'm saying? And I am very optimistic that very soon he will start to earn money that will enable him take my sister and they will go back to their house, you know. Eh? Money. Money is involved. What are you thinking again? You want to say any other thing? You can't push your mama to where they are. Nobody. Amnesia. Oh, money even answer.
Memory loss.
And the memory will come back.
Douglas.
Tell me you've heard from Sonny.
Not a word. His phone is still not going through. It looks as if he's cut off from the rest of the world. Like he fell off the grid. I don't know what to do at this point.
I'm also so bothered. I am so bothered because I spoke with his uncle who claimed that Sonny did not come to the village. He said he has not heard anything from Sonny. And I am so fed up because I don't even know who else to call.
But did he drive? Maybe we can track his vehicle or something. I don't know.
He did not drive. Sonny did not drive. He said he's going to go by air, that when he gets to the village, he will get a commercial vehicle who will take him around. Now I'm beginning to get so worried.
Me too. Like, this is unlike Sonny to switch off his phone and not be reachable till this moment. I sense something bad has happened to him. I'm even confused. I don't even know what to do. Go, please.
You need to calm down.
Please help my man.
We'll find a way. We'll find a way. But I am just thinking, I hope nothing has happened to Sonny. See, I am going to investigate.
Please.
I will search. Even if it takes going to the hospital to see if there are accident scenes, I'm not saying Sonny is involved in any accident, but I will just find out anything I can. We just need to do something. Let me just investigate, okay?
Please, I'll be waiting for your response. I'm tired. I'm sick and tired of this whole thing. I don't even know what to do.
How are you?
I'm fine, but I should be asking you. Are you fine? When being married to my auntie must be a lot.
How do you mean?
But I need you to be honest with me. My auntie, is she really your spec? Is she the kind of woman you dreamt of spending the rest of your life with? Because looking at you, I believe you have great taste for women and my auntie cannot be it.
Gladys, why are you asking me all these questions? Is there anything you want to tell me?
Brother Monday, is your mind not telling you she's not what you want? Eh? Okay, I need you to tell me the truth. Does your heart beat loudly when she comes close to you? Or does it beat out of fear for her muscles and strong face? Think about it. Why are you not with a beautiful, young and fresh blood like me? Why my old, ugly auntie? It doesn't make sense.
Gladys, I am married to your auntie. You should not be telling me all this.
That is where the problem is. You being married to her is the problem. Are you excited in this marriage? Don't you think that fate has played a big mess on you? Don't you think so? Oh, Jesus!
I need to take it easy.
What is wrong with you? Are you okay? Are you planning to ruin my life? Huh? Did they send you to spoil things for me?
What did I say that is wrong? Eh? You're definitely not right for him and that is the truth. Deal with it.
It does not matter, okay? It does not matter whether I am wrong or right. I am his wife. Yeah, look at me well. Moa, his wife.
Can you wake up from this dreamland? Is it possible that you just wake up? You don't even know his name. How can you be married to someone you have no clue, you have no idea who he is?
He is not a ghost. He is a human being. Yes, And you know that man, nameless as you call him, paid my bride price. Oh, he paid my bride price with his own money, okay? Respect yourself. Respect yourself.
Hey, God. No, so if they ask people that they paid their bride price to come out, you shamelessly come out. Which bride price? The one that you and Papa forced him to pay. Eh? I don't know how you were able to manipulate Papa out of his desperation. Papa made him work and then he took chinkly amount from him as if they dashed you to him and you said they pay your bride price. Is that one bride price?
I feel like hitting you. I feel like slapping that stupidity out of your face. You are a witch. Yes, now I know. You know, before I used to be suspicious, but now I am so convinced that you are a low-ranking witch.
Yes, I accept. I am a witch. I am a witch. Thank God you know, and don't you ever brag about being his wife to me again, because I am one person that knows that. You see, this thing called marriage is a sham. Do you understand? And Monday, as you named him, from where I stand, is single. A single man. And he can belong to anyone. By anyone, I mean me.
Putaba. Putaba from there, my friend. Putaba from there. Because if I see you anywhere around him, if you go around him again to blab and yak your mouth, I will break your legs. Then I will twist your lips. Not only that, I will disfigure you. I will make you unrecognizable. Don't try me.
Why you now? You want to enter my body?
Yes, don't try me. This is just periphery. Because when I start with you, you will not like me at all. Trust me. I'm serious. Don't do it. If I were you, I'll keep my distance from my Monday.
See a red nose. Ugly old woman. See a red nose. Hey, don't try it, don't try it. I will go for him and he will not do anything.
I heard that!
That did you say? What did you say? You don't touch me!
No! I heard it!
Oh.
What is the problem? Eh? What is the problem? Am I not your wife? Listen, you paid for this and I'm giving it to you wholesale. Do you know, I've not even given this. Come first.
Can you just shift back a little now? Let us rest. See, listen to me. You are my wife. We have all the... Stop touching me first. Don't you know I don't have brain? I can even understand what you're doing right now. So give me time. We have all the days to do whatever we want.
We don't need your brain to do the do. As long as your thing is working. What is the brain doing inside the do?
How can I do the do when I don't have it in my brain? I did not process anything. Oh!
Hey!
Looking at you, I can tell you're on the run. What are you running from? Your wife?
I don't want to talk about it.
You don't need to open your mouth to say anything when your facial expression and body language has said it all.
And what does my facial expression and body language say?
That you are married to a woman you do not understand. Listen, I know it is confusing that you do not know who you are, but I am sure you do not need your memory to know that you are married to a woman you can never fall for.
Why are you saying all this?
Looking at you, Uncle Monday, I can tell that there is no way a man like you would be attracted to my auntie. But for you, I know you think getting back your memory will make it easy, but no, it will make it more difficult.
Gladys, you sometimes sound like there's something you know that I don't know. Why are you talking like this?
Isn't it obvious? I have my memory and you do not have yours. So that simply means I know more than you do.
Gladys, what has your auntie done to you? Because from the look of things, you hate her so much. You have been trying so hard to see me reject her. What has she done to you?
Oh, please. I don't need to try so hard, do I? I mean, seeing you escape from the room like someone that is escaping disaster says it all.
Yeah, it's called love exercise.
Keep exercising.
Practicing. Love birds. Carability.
Well done.
Eunice. So you still dey wear all this your baloto ilakwa? I thought you're married now. Now that you are married, you're supposed to stop all these clothes now that you're wearing.
Why should I? No, I want to know. Why should I? I love being hot. As a hot babe. And my husband loves me being hot. So how is it your business? I can see you have turned yourself to a monitoring spirit. You don't want to change from being a monitoring spirit, okay? It's like you are still in that your lower level monitoring spirit. Yeah? When I was not married, that was how you used to monitor me. Now that I am married, you are still monitoring me.
It's okay now. I only try to advise you as a friend. Just calm down. We can come cool anyway. But how manage? Where and how did you get such a handsome man?
And what do you mean by that? Are you saying that he is too good for me? Or are you in any way saying that I do not deserve him? Stop moving by the corner. Come out straight and talk. Is that what you're trying to say?
Eunice, are you trying to put words in my mouth or what? I simple ask you a question. You know you now. You always want to, as in, you call my husband names. Yes. You tell me a lot of things that I need to know about my husband. And now that you are married, I'm surprised because the person you're married to is a nobody. No money. No home. So I be no brain.
And who is complaining? No, I want to know. Who is complaining? You? Oh, please. Listen, I am not complaining. I am happy. And that is the most important thing. And that is also one thing I know you are not. You are not happy. You are living a horrible life and it's paining you. That is why you go around monitoring my life and envying how beautiful it is. Yes.
Marrying to a
anyway, leave him for me. I like him like that. He makes me smile. He loves me. You need to hear the sweet nothings he whispers into my ears. I'm very sure your husband does not even know what romance is. That is why you are so dry.
Are you sure?
Anyway. Shush. Shush. Close your mouth. Don't say another word before you expose how stupid you are. And again, I don't want to hear anything again from you. Tata.
How soon, man?
What happened? I mean, where is your husband?
he decided to go for a walk. But, brother, he's beginning to get curious. He's asking so many questions. And I've been telling so much lies. The lies are just piling up and they're about to bust my brain.
Curiosity is not a bad thing. If he is now so curious that he is asking a lot of questions, it actually means one thing. He has become more interested in you and wants to know you better. That's it.
Brother, we have told so many lies. I even renamed my husband to Monday. And then we made him feel responsible to marry me. You know, anytime he comes close to me, I start feeling guilty for telling so many lies. Oh God, the lies are ringing in my ears. I don't know. My conscience is not just helping matters at all.
You see, your conscience is beginning to judge you and you are beginning to succumb to it. And trust me, that is not good at all. I am a very credible elder in this community, but I had to sacrifice all those, threw everything away, stood so low, simply to play this thing with you so that your marital status can change. Why are you forgetting all of that? Why?
I am not forgetting.
Good.
What if he wakes up one day and starts treating me like a stranger? How do we explain all these lies?
You worry yourself over something that has not happened and something that may not even happen at all. What if this man remains Monday forever? Oh yes. What if he never regains himself, he just remains Monday? It is possible. But let us assume that he regains himself and understands that he is not Monday, that goes back to what he was before. What you need to do is to start to show him love. Show him the kind of love that even when he regains himself, he will discover that he has become so much in love. A man who is in love bears no grudges. He's not going to remember whatever thing that happened in the past. That is where that saying came from. Love holds no grudge. This is the practical part of it. You are the one that is practicalizing it. You understand? There is even a song that they have actually created with that slogan. Love holds no grudges. Show him love. Keep showing him love. Nothing is going to happen. Eh? Mother has love and lies. They are just like this. You see, love and lies, they go together. It is hardly impossible for you to see true love where there is no lie. It is not possible. That lie is what is keeping the love. I'm telling you.
Hello, handsome. Do you remember me? I was in your little traditional marriage.
Yes, I do. You're Eunice's friend.
Her best friend.
Oh.
Yes. So, where are you going to?
In search of a job. Can I help you?
No. I'm just curious to know how you get married to that clown.
A clown? Are you referring to my wife?
You can call her anything. Of course. I know that Eunice is desperate. Eunice and her brother, they are desperate and they wouldn't mind housing, feeding you as long as you are going to remain Eunice's husband.
Madam, is it that you have a personal problem with Eunice or you just putting this all together?
No, I don't. But it is a known thing now. Everybody in this village knows Eunice. Yes. How she goes around to seduce men, begging and looking for one who will get married to her. So I don't know. I'm just thinking how and where you met her.
Well, since you are a friend, you should gather all this information yourself.
That's what I'm saying. I don't know. and no one else does. You see that? It's as if you fly from the sky and bam, she grabs you and makes you her husband. You know what I'm saying? Yes. Because something is missing here. You need to know Eunice very well. You need to understand that you deserve.
You stupid woman. I warned you. I warned you to stay away from things that concern me. I warned you to go and take care of your life and your stupid husband. But no! You meet my husband on the road and you decided to backbite me? Badmouth me? You want to spoil my marriage? I will disfigure your face before you do that. I said, I will disfigure your face. I will disfigure your face before you do that.
Eunice, is it me that you're fighting? Eunice, is it me that you're fighting?
Can you leave?
Give me the sponge and get out of here.
Allow me to tell him the truth that he's supposed to know. Let me sit down. Allow me to tell him. You're still talking. Are you coming to fight me?
It's okay.
You see what I'm saying? Hey, Eunice, can you imagine that?
Why are your faces like this? Oh. Have you started fighting already? When you're supposed to be in the honeymoon phase? I said it that this marriage will not work. But they did not listen to me. I know that Uncle Monday can never be with Auntie Eunice. It's not possible. See it now. It's already playing out.
Why would you say that now? It's not nice now. Eh? Why would you say that such a thing to your aunt? Eh?
Oh,
what has
really?
she done? What has she done to deserve this treatment you're giving to her?
Really? You are now defending me, right? But you have refused to talk to me. Even when I tried talking to you, you just ignored me. Why are you defending me now?
I hate to see you fight other women. Eh? You say I am your husband. You cannot even respect me. In my presence, you're ready to roll on the ground and pick sticks and begin to pursue another woman. Is it nice? It doesn't look nice to me now. Eh? It doesn't look nice to me. You always like to act tough, that you're a tough woman. Eh? That is not how women behave. In front of me, you're fighting and tumbling and pursuing another woman. Does it make sense to you? Huh? Huh?
You know what? It is very nice to finally hear what you actually think of me. I know you are not proud of me. You don't even need to say it. I can see it. You are even ashamed to walk with me on the road. You have not even slept with me since we got married. You know, I thought marrying you was going to make me happy. I thought it was going to fill my life with joy. But instead, it has made me so sad. And for the first time in my life, I feel like a loser. A loser who does not deserve to be loved. So, please, feel free, okay? Feel free to end the marriage. if you are not proud of it, and if you are not happy with it.
See,
Don't put me. I don't even know why I am in your middle.
and to keep her for later days. Huh? My love.
Who is this one?
Baby.
No, why I don't understand. Why is it that nobody is talking? I am not one of those men that will start looking for their thing and they are looking for where they kept it and where they did not keep it. I know where I kept my money. How come the money is not there? Who took the money?
Well, no.
No, do we have any money eating rat in this house or what? Where's the money?
Papa, I hope you're actually looking for your money. You're not just creating this drama to avoid giving me what I asked.
Are you serious right now? I am talking about 50,000 naira.
Ooh.
That is the money I am looking for.
That's
the money that I kept and you're telling me, how can you even say this to my face? Am I stupid or what? I can just create a scenario when I'm not looking for any money. And you're telling me, what are you even, how can you be saying that?
I realize I have made you very sad. And I watch you try to keep a happy face despite the challenges you're facing. I want to say I'm very, very sorry for being the reason for you seeing yourself as a less woman. Eunice, you are powerful. You're strong. I love you. Please, will you accept this gift as a token of my love and apology?
Yes! Thank you! Yes, oh my God! This is the nicest thing anybody has ever done for me.
Really?
Yes, thank you!
You see my sisters? Sisters are very ungrateful elements. Can you imagine what she's saying? So all the ones I've been doing for you all this while, they mean nothing, they don't count. And you Monday, what exactly is going on? Because to the best of my knowledge, you have no money, you have no trade, you have no business. Where did you then get the money that you are spending as a token of your love for my own sister right under my roof?
Sir, I saw 50,000 on the ground.
Huh?
Yes, I thought it was a missing money, so
Did you hear that?
I took it to buy a gift for my love, Eunice.
Look, can anybody imagine this? No, can anybody actually imagine this at all? The same money I am looking for. You saw money in the house and then you took it. Why didn't you ask who is the owner of the money?
You were looking for it.
Can you imagine what this man is asking me?
Okay, let me just borrow the money instead. I'll pay you back.
Can you imagine what? Can anybody imagine this again? No. What is wrong with you? The same money you have already spent. You want to borrow the money from me when the money is already gone?
So that I can pay you later, sir.
But wait. I do not understand. Why is nobody seeing the bright side of this whole thing? I mean, he stole for me. What greater love is there? Oh, I love you, babe. I love it. I love it. You know what?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's go to the room.
Let's go. I am glad you appreciate the gift.
I love the gesture more than the gift. Honestly, if anybody had told me that a young, handsome guy like you will steal just to make me happy. I would not have believed it. In fact, if Angel Gabriel himself came down to tell me that a handsome guy like you will steal for me, I will bounce him back.
I say, I am not proud of what I did. Yes, I know brother-in-law will be very upset with me, but I promise I'll fix it.
I don't care how he feels. That is his business. I mean, you damned everybody and stole for me. Not even his masquerade face, that is scary face, made you think twice. Do you know what that means? Listen, that's the most romantic thing anybody has ever done for me. And I love it.
Wow, I know I have not tried hard enough, but I am determined to make it work. You see, my memory loss is enough to deal with, but I promise I am gonna love you just the way you deserve it.
Oh, these words are just turning my insides. Oh, my love, please. Talk to me like this every day. Don't stop. I love it. If you talk to me like this every day, I will lay eggs for you. Oh, this is beautiful.
I don't know why you're doing everything humanly possible to convince me. You cannot convince me because my decision on this is final. You are not going to join that dancing group. It's not possible.
Papa, it is very bad for a man to deprive his daughter from doing what makes her happy. Papa, I am begging you. Allow me to do what makes me happy.
Not this one. No, what are you saying? There is no way I am going to leave my daughter to be shaking her bum-bum, to be entertaining those useless men, when I am doing everything possible to get a very powerful suitor for her. No, that cannot be the daughter of Ibe. It cannot.
But I do not understand you. You act all right and principled, whereas you and Auntie deceived a sick man without his memories into marriage.
It was an emergency situation. And I remember I explained this to you. It is different.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Okay, so I should go ahead and expose you. Is that what you're saying? No, I should go ahead and tell Uncle Monday that you and his wife are a bunch of liars. A principled elder that deceived a sick man. I should go ahead and tell him and see if he would think it is different and not subject you to moral judgment.
So you are blackmailing me now? You are blackmailing your own father? Is this where we are now?
Papa, you leave me with no choice. It is either I join the dance group and keep the family dirty secret, or I go out there and expose it.
Well, there is no reason for blackmail. No reason for blackmail. I am doing what I am doing because I want to protect your dignity as the daughter of a great man. But from the way you are going, it seems as if you don't want to. Go ahead. Go ahead and do what makes you happy. But you are not ever going to say, I did not warn you.
I can't take care of myself.
Life is good.
Give me some money.
I beg your pardon? What did you just say? I should give you some money? Really? Now listen, if you want to spend money, if you want to, dole out cool cash, you better go work and make your own money because I am not going to entertain any freeloader here. Okay?
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Okay. Give me some money or I will expose the truth to Uncle Monday. I will tell him how you and father deceived him into marrying you. Really? Yes, I will.
You will do that?
Yes, I will do it. Except you give me the money.
Oh. And will this threat also affect your father? Because I think for a man who, carries himself around as an upright man and tries so hard not to, be in places that will tarnish his image or do things that will tarnish his image, I think he'll be the worst for the stress. So, go ahead. I want to see you disgrace your father.
Wait, what are you trying to say? You're not scared of me saying the truth?
Of course I am scared. But I am willing to risk it. You see, this man stole from me. I mean, he stole just to make me happy. So I'd like to see the look on his face when you go there to embarrass yourself by telling him that I forced him to marry me. And you know what they say about true love? True love is always filled with trials and tribulations. I would like to test ours. Yes, I want to test our love. I want to test it with this kind of trial and this kind of tribulation. Let me see how strong our love is. Okay? So, when you are done running your mouth, tell me. Okay? Tata. Out! Thank you.
She's crazy. No, did she just brag about him stealing for her? No. One woman down. We have lost her. But why is it so difficult for me to scare her just like father? Why is she so thick-skinned? Siaki, coconut head.
Jati! Your special agbo is here! It no good make madam not tell you Oga thank you. It no good make weak erection make madam not receive his rights. Buy your original agbo! Tapranute! Jati! Tapranute! Jati! Tapranute! It dey work well. It dey work well. It dey work well. Yeah!
Oh, hello. I knew it.
Madam, you want to buy agbo?
I knew it. That's what I'm saying. I knew it that any man who will marry Eunice will die suffering. Yes. Imagine. How can a handsome man like you hawking agbo, hawking herbs under the sun like this?
Please, ma. I really don't like the way you have been, talking about my wife. It is not okay with me. Please, if you want to buy agbo, you buy agbo. And if you don't want to buy agbo, please let me go.
Don't worry, I will buy agbo now. See, you know one thing, Eunice used to be my friend though. Just that this time around, she's so mean to me. As if the whole world belongs to her. But she has nothing. She has nothing.
Like her attitude to her positive living is your problem?
No.
What? See, I am busy as you can see, okay? I have to sell all these herbs.
Hi.
Yes, please.
No worry, I want to buy now. Give me one bottle. Let me patronize you. If not for anything, for a handsome man like you.
That is now that you are saying this. Because I believe, is it infection that you want or washing and setting? We have taparanute, we have jati.
The one that will make me, now when I'm with him, I will be very strong too.
You want to be stronger than yoga.
You
want to be stronger than yoga. You see this one? You see this one? You have to drink it a shot in the morning and a shot at night. Yes, that's what you did.
I see.
Please, my money.
I noticed that women are patronizing you so much. Maybe it's your handsome face that
Madam, it's not
selling for you.
What are you saying? I mean, Mazibe has the most good and effective herbs in this community. It is enough to drive market. It is enough to sell.
It is your handsome face.
Please, Mrs. Patricia, thank you for buying my agbo. Can you hand over my money? Let me go.
Don't worry, I will. Maybe let me just escort you. Are you still selling? I will escort you. I will give you the money.
Infection cannot kill if I don't have a...
Kill them. Eh?
You are back already?
Yes, I'm back. Everything.
Are you telling me you sold all the herbs immediately?
Yes.
Everything?
Everything is sold out.
That is magical.
Yes.
How were you able to do that?
Easy. It's very, very easy. It wasn't difficult at all. You know, your herbs are very good and effective.
Of course.
Yes.
That is correct.
Yes, I sold everything. And brother-in-law, I want to apologize for taking your money. You know, I was very, very desperate to fix the bad air between myself and Eunice, acting without thinking.
Listen, Monday, you don't have any problem. Forget about the money. Now, when I see the way you are going with Eunice, it gladdens my heart. I am very happy because I now know I married her off to a man who is very good and very gentle. Eh?
Thank you.
It gladdens my heart.
Thank you, sir. I promise to pay every penny I spent. I promise to pay everything I spent. You see, I live in your house for free. I eat your food for free. So I will work hard to make sure I am that person you rely on.
Monday, can you stop bothering yourself?
Yes, sir.
Stop bothering yourself. We are family now. And I should be able to do for you what family should do for family.
Yes.
Forget about that money.
It's okay.
You see the money? Forget about it. I have forgotten about it. And don't see yourself as if you are indebted to me.
Yeah.
You are not.
Oh. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Good.
Brother-in-law, please, at least make me your salesperson. I can sell anything. I can sell anything you want me to sell. Yes. So that I can raise small money to take Eunice somewhere very special for a treat.
You can do that?
Yes, sir.
Then consider yourself employed.
You don't mean it?
What are you saying?
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Listen, there are so many other herbs that I can actually cook that I have not been cooking because I don't know how to market them. But seeing the way you are very fast in marketing herbs, I will start to cook them.
I will market everything.
Don't worry.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sold everything in one day. That's brilliant. Very brilliant.
I'm so worried. I'm still unable to reach him on the phone, and I've contacted all his business partners and none of them has heard from him yet. I don't even know what to do at this point. What if something bad has happened to my man? What if something bad has happened to Sonny?
That is exactly what I felt. I felt so bad, I was so scared until I got good news. Someone told me that he saw someone hawking herbs in the village that matches exactly the description of Sonny.
Oh, that's really a good news.
It's relieving.
But Sonny selling herbs? That's impossible. He can't leave everything he owns here to go sell herbs in that village. It doesn't sink. It doesn't make any sense to me.
Actually, it doesn't make sense, but we can give it a shot. You know, things happen. It may be that someone actually looks like Sonny. It may also be that something has happened. You know, we are talking about the village. I always pray for Sonny whenever he tells me he's going to the village, that let him not encounter something dangerous, something unfortunate, because we are talking about the village.
I don't know. Why don't we go to the village, see this particular man that looks like him that sells herbs? Let us know what we're handling. Let us know what they're doing.
That is a very good idea. That is exactly what we will do. But let me beg you for something. I have representatives coming from overseas that I need to attend to. As soon as I am done attending to them, I will join you. I promise.
It's fine. I'll go and see this said man, and whatever chat I have with him, I'll keep you updated.
Sure. And I promise to join you as soon as I can, okay?
It's
Let me run now.
It's okay. Just allow me. Let me go there. Why are you stopping me? Let me just go. You want to go there? See, you have to calm down. You know, brother-in-law does not know that you're spying on him. And he hates it when you go about fighting people, especially when there is customers. So what would you have me do? You want me to stand here and watch that idiot touch my man, touch my husband, and I don't do anything? Is that what you want? I know marrying an handsome man and knowing that the only way you landed him is because of memory loss and deceit can be very tough. Ndogo? What do you mean by that? Are you in any way trying to mock me? Why would I do a thing like that? I mean, why would I do that when I am enjoying your show of insecurity? Liar's pants on fire. You know you do not deserve him, right? You know in your widest dream, there is no way a man like him will see you. There's no way a man like him will find you attractive and get married to you. That's why you're scared that he might meet his type of woman, I mean his spec, and then he will push you away. Isn't that why you spy on me and bully any woman that goes around him? Say the truth for once. You know what? I will not dignify you with an answer. Now, Gladys, leave me alone. I searched everywhere for him. I'm even tired.
Madam, good afternoon. Madam, they sell agbo. Some people they call it taparanute. Some people they call it jajati jati. Some people they call it pepper soup. You fit use and cure 21 different sickness for your body. If you just turn them one cup in the morning, empty stomach, in the evening, empty.
Sonny, what happened to you? What happened to you?
Madam, wait. I think you're referring to another person. I'm not Sonny. My name is Monday.
No! Your name is Sonny. You're my fiancé. You know what? I'll pay for everything. Just enter inside the car. I want to talk to you, please. Please.
Madam, please. I came here to sell my market. I can't come inside your car.
Sonny is me.
I am not Sonny. My name is Monday.
My name is Tara, your fiancé.
Tara.
This is not who you are. What happened to you?
Madam,
please, I want to talk to you, please. Can I talk to you? Can you just follow me to the car? I want to talk to you, please. Okay, you know what? I'll pay for. I'll pay double. Please, just enter the car. Let me talk to you, please. Please.
First enter the car.
Are you sure you're coming in?
Enter. But madam, wait. You say you go pay double.
I'll triple it if you want. Just enter the car, please. I want to talk to you, please.
Enter the car.
Sonny.
Hey.
That is it. That is it. What? Hey! Come down. Come down from the car. What is wrong with you? I just followed you and I saw you talking to two girls and they were busy smooching you, and now you want to enter a woman's car? Is that how you are? What is wrong with you?
What's going on here?
And you, where the hell do you think you are taking another woman's husband to?
Yes.
Huh?
Where are you taking my brother-in-law to? Are you so desperate that you just saw a poor innocent man on the road and you want to kidnap him? Did I hear you say poor? Sunday poor? And what did you just call him? Your husband? Why are the both of you lying to me? What is going on here?
Who is this goat? Listen. So who are you to him? If you feel I am lying about being his wife.
I am his fiancée! Huh? We've been looking for him for months.
I've actually been looking for you. What are you? Wait. Close your mouth. You see that nonsense you just said? Putaba from there because it can't be the truth. Look at you. Fiancé my foot. Oh, you think I am dumb? Or you think because you're carrying this stupid car, I am scared of you? If you touch him one more time, if your hand dare touch him one more time, I will beat the hell out of you. Now, if you know what is good for you, enter this thing, this carton you call a car, and zoom out of here as fast as you can. I am not living without my man. Do your worst. I'm not scared of you. Excuse me. Hey! Leave me alone! This mad woman! Leave me! Leave me! I'll leave me alone!
You kill somebody, I'm not down.
That woman is she's just a mad woman. Oh, my head is hurting. How could she even do that to me?
Hey, Tara. What happened to you? What happened? Are you alright?
Do I look like I'm okay? I was beaten by a wild dog who introduced herself as Sonny's wife.
What? Oh, come on. That can't be real. Sonny is not married. You and I know that.
You think I don't know? See, I think something has happened to him. He has lost his memory.
Oh, come on.
He's now bearing Monday. And my own Sonny is selling herbs. My fiancé is selling herbs and he's not even aware that he's a billionaire.
Oh, come on. Sonny selling herbs? Oh, you know that is not possible.
It is possible. This is who I saw it. I saw him with my 2 eyes. Had it been it was someone that told me this, I wouldn't have believed it for anything.
Sonny selling herbs. Now Monday. Okay, as it stands now, where are they?
I don't know. Imagine Sonny watched those women beat me up and asked me to stay away from him.
What?
And they left with him and left me here.
Sonny?
Yes.
Sonny?
Which one is Sonny? I'm telling you the truth and you're asking me Sonny. Are you doubting me?
You're talking about my best friend.
You're talking about my fiancé. He is my fiancé. What are you saying?
We need to do everything possible to bring him out. To bring back his memory. That is if he has actually lost his memory.
Please, you really need to help me. I need my man back. I really miss him. Please.
Okay, fine.
I need help.
Go inside the car.
Okay.
Gladys, you know, you cannot hide anything from your father. Mainly when what is worrying you is trouble. You know, right?
Yes, Papa.
Speak.
Papa, there's fire on the mountain. Auntie Eunice and I saw someone that recognized Monday. She's very rich and with a big car. She calls herself his fiancé.
Thank God they are not married. That would have been a disaster. You see, whatever thing they call engagement or fiancé can be broken.
Papa, are you even listening? This is a serious matter. Auntie Eunice may have brought real trouble by beating up this lady. I am sure she will come after us and get us arrested for assault.
She beat her up?
Yes, she did.
That is the problem. That is the problem now. Because if this woman finds us, it may be that our lies are exposed. Listen, the best thing is for us to find her and calm her down. Did you manage to find information how we can do that?
No, Papa, I think what we should do now is to ensure she does not find us, because if this woman finds us, Papa, there is trouble. Me, I don't want trouble. But I don't know why she went to beat the lady up.
But why did you stop her?
But you're talking as if you don't know your sister. Does she ever listen to anybody?
The beating is only the problem now. Just the beating.
Papa, she said she's his fiancée.
It can be broken.
You need to look for that woman and apologize. Yes.
For what? No, apologize for what? For fighting for what is mine? To tab from there because it ain't gonna work. There's no way in this life I'm going to apologize for fighting for my rights.
What do you mean you're right? You need to just stop beating people. That woman looks rich and powerful. She can take you to court and jail you for assault.
Huh? Assault? She can't try it. Oh, you think me I don't know the law? It is two fighting. Yes, two fighting. After all, she threw some punches too.
But she was the one brutalized. Yes, she have evidence.
Which evidence? Huh? Which evidence?
The wound she sustained.
On her face and her body. Me too. I'll go and hit my head on the wall. Then I will also accuse her of fighting me. We are even. This is that what you're talking of. Leave that part. I'm very happy I have used her as an example. If you go and set the example, she's very stupid. At least it will be a sign for other ladies who have such ulterior motive to run far away.
Can you just stop fighting people? Stop fighting people. Listen, I am not going to be tempted to fall for anyone else. Eunice, I love you. I love you and I will not and I will never try it to fall for anybody. I want you to trust me. Trust me. Go and look for the woman and apologize. There's nothing there. It will not take anything from you. It cannot clean your makeup.
You have been buying expensive gifts for me. You just give me this money now. Yet, you have been cold and distant towards me. Please tell me, what is going on? What is wrong?
Why did you marry me, Eunice? When you know I don't have a house, I don't have money. Was it because I was handsome?
Do you think you are the only handsome man in this world? I met you when I was down. I met you when I was at my lowest. I was being punished for being single. At first, I just wanted to be married. Just wanted a man to call my own, and in return, I was ready to love that man and make him happy. And I found you. Even with your lost memory, I fell in love with you. I didn't plan it, but it happened. So why will I not marry the man of my dreams? Why?
Are you happy being my wife? I mean, when you know I am a loser and I can't give you anything. Are you okay when you are very much aware that I've not made love to you despite we're married?
Marriage is hard. I have always known that. And I was not expecting to get everything I want. But I am contented with just having you here. Monday, you are a good man. And it is so easy loving you without expecting anything from you.
Eunice, do you know why I called you out? Because I need to ask you. Have you managed to find out what your husband is doing lately that is giving him the kind of money he has been spending?
Is he no longer selling herbs with you? I mean, you said it yourself, that since he joined you, your business has been booming. So, what exactly
I said that.
Uh-huh.
I said that. But you are not going to play dumb with me here. Are you actually saying you believe that my house that he is selling is what is giving him the kind of money he is spending? How can you be saying that? It is not possible.
Papa is right. He offered to pay for my dance classes. Even asked if I would love to go to the city to study further. Brother-in-law has either come into a huge fortune or is into money rituals. Auntie, you better shine your eyes so they will not use you to renew.
Are you out of your mind? No, I need to understand. Are you out of your mind? Do you know who you're actually talking about here? Monday. I mean, Monday is not capable of doing that. Monday is a very good man. Very responsible, God-fearing. In fact, he is the kind of man...
You see, all this long grammar you are speaking, they have not managed to erase the fact that there is something about that Monday that is not okay. There is something that he is hiding. And I need you to get focused. Get focused before you lose it. Focus on who he is now and not who he was. There is something that he is hiding that may not be good for anybody. And we need to find out what that thing is. And the earlier we find out, the better for all of us. I knew that something was off. I was not just imagining things about Monday. Something right from the inside of me told me that something was not adding up. And it was based on that I decided to make my own kind of move. And I saw with my 2 naked eyes. Yeah, Alumel.
Please, what did you see? Because right now, I need to know what you saw. What did you see exactly?
Simple. There was a car. And then there was a woman. And Monday hugged that woman. And there was another man that was sitting right inside that car. What I saw, very simple, is that Monday now is associating with some new partners. Strange partners. And they may be the reason for the money he has been spending lately.
Wait. Could it be the same woman he asked me to apologize to? So Monday went behind my back to date that same woman. Really? Really now?
Wait, what if these people are parts of his past life and they're only trying to reach out to him? They could be using the money to entice him, which honestly it is working. Because Brother Monday is not as friendly as he used to be. He just became too generous.
Monday? Really? So Monday is cheating on me? He is cheating on me with a woman that has plenty money and a car? Really? Oh, that woman should start praying. That woman should start praying, because any day I see her, any day I catch her, let her just know that I will be ready to go to jail.
Hey, Eunice, can you calm down? Can you at least calm down? We don't have any information. We don't know the relationship that is existing between Monday and these people. Can we just calm down, please?
No, because you just told me that you saw Monday's body touch another woman. That is all I want to know. That is all I care to know.
Allah
God.
Allah
Oh, God. Where are you people going? Oh. Are you running away?
Listen, that is the best thing for us to do right now. Let us go somewhere and relax until the atmosphere calms down. Come, let's go.
Wait, Auntie, are you not aware that we are in trouble? Serious trouble. Don't let love blind you. You better leave so you can love another day.
I am not going anywhere.
Huh?
No, I am not leaving. I love my Monday, and I'm going to stay here and fight for my marriage. Yes, that's exactly what I'm going to do.
Are you sick in the head? Or you're just being stupid and ignorant? There is no Monday anywhere. We created that identity when he lost his memory. Now, from what we gathered, the young man is a billionaire in the city. Not only billionaire, he is very powerful and he can do and undo. We must have to stay away from this man of power. Pack your things and come with us.
I do not care. I am not going anywhere. No, not leaving my Monday. Even if the marriage is over, I need to see him again. I need to talk to him. I need to, I need to see him one more time, even if it's to take the punishment he gives me. I don't mind.
See, Auntie, you need to see him. It's okay. You can stay. See, let me tell you, this is not bravery. This is foolishness, because Monday will certainly send you to prison for fraud.
No, it's not prison.
I'm sorry for what may sound as insults to you.
He will kill you. He will kill you. Let's go.
You better wake up. The show has ended.
Potaba from there, Potaba, because I'm not leaving my Monday. I'm going to stay with him. I'm foolishly in love. Oh, God.
Hey! Going somewhere, Mazibi? Or should I call you brother-in-law?
Actually, my auntie uncle is not feeling okay, so we just decided to go and stay there for some time. and then we'll come back. But you can talk to Eunice. Eunice is in the house. Eh?
Listen, I promise, what I am here to discuss with you will not take any of his time. Can we go and have a seat?
Monday, I have something I want to tell you.
You and I know that my name is not Monday. You gave me that name like a mother adopting a child. You had months to say whatever you had to say. But no. Eunice, it is over.
Well, let me introduce this man seated before you. His name is Sonny Obi. He's the head of this community.
Yes, I am the man behind the law to punish super single ladies. But what I didn't know is I will become a victim of my own law and to be used as a tool to avoid future punishments. I came into the community that unfaithful day without announcing my presence and identity to anyone, and to make sure the laws are diligently carried out. That was when I met these hoodlums. They attacked me, hit something on the back of my head, and I passed out. The only thing I could remember was waking up in your compound.
It was very fortunate that Eunice found him unconscious. It is a good thing that you took care of him, you saved his life, but took advantage of him. You took advantage of a man who was unconscious. You took advantage of a man to your own advantage. It is so bad. You know, you did it, you made him a tool to avert future punishment as a single lady, and that is what we will not take.
He was more than that to me. Monday was more than just a tool to avoid future punishment. Yes, it might have started because I just wanted to get married. But along the line, I fell in love.
Can we not talk about love? You and I got married as Monday and Eunice. As a matter of fact, Monday does not exist, which means the marriage is null and void. You see, the reason I don't want to press charges of scam on you all is because you and your brother gave me shelter and even give me an identity. The only thing I want to tell you is I don't want to set my eyes on you again.
Don't you love me? I want to know. Do you not love me? Was the 4 months a lie to you? I thought we grew closer and we bonded so well.
I did love you. Until I discovered everything were all lies. You hurt me so badly that I cannot even look at your face. Douglas.
Yeah?
Let us go.
So tell me, how did it go? Please tell me that you arrested and sent those people to jail.
Yeah, I told them never to contact me or act as if they are related to me again. We are done.
It is not done. No, I refuse to accept that. Those people lied and deceived you. They fabricated your identity and made you prisoner so that you'll not be able to identify yourself, your real self. They need to be locked up and be set as an example.
I actually thought about that. But then I remember these people took care of me. They saved my life. I mean, for 4 good months, they took me into their home, shelter me, feed me, clothe me. So the only way I can equalize their good deed to me is not taking them to jail.
I cannot believe that these people went scot-free with what they did to you. Like, they're just so lucky.
You know, Sonny blamed himself for their desperate acts. If he had not triggered desperation and pain, they wouldn't have taken advantage of him in an emergency marriage.
Oh well, yes, I deserve what came to me. I mean, who punishes a lady for not getting married? Will she marry herself?
Baby, this is why I love you, because you think about others the same way you think about yourself. And I love you so much for that. Mwah.
It just sounded like a real community head who has a real goal and mission for rescue. So what do we do now?
Seven, 8, 9.
Brother, who locked the gate? Why is that gate locked?
And where exactly are you going? I don't understand. Where do you think you are going? Everybody in this community, they are now pointing their useless fingers at us because of your activity. I practically move around this land, burying my face in shame. And you are dressed, telling me you are going out? Going where exactly?
I want to go and see Monday. I want to tell him that we fell in love. I want to tell him that we are in love so he cannot end the marriage. He cannot end our relationship. He doesn't even have the right to do that.
You are still calling him Monday. He is Sonny, the community head. And you heard him say it is over. Can't you understand that it is over? You should count yourself lucky that we were not even arrested and jailed. You should be lucky that we still have our freedom. Can't you understand that the end is come? Stop this already, Eunice. Listen, I am certain that there is another man that you are going to find who will love you again. Can't you understand that?
I don't want any other man. I don't want any other man. I want Sonny. He's the only one for me. That is why I want to tell him that he cannot end the marriage. He cannot end it. He does not have that right. My emotions is not a light switch that you can switch on and off anytime you like. Brother, come and open the gate.
17.
Brother, 18. Open the gate now.
19. 20.
Babe, I can't believe that I was just this close to losing you. I wouldn't have forgiven myself if that had happened.
I almost died. I thought I was going to die. When Eunice and her brother took the risk of rescuing me and treating me.
They did all that because they had an agenda. I mean, what were they even thinking? That you were not going to get your memory back?
Maybe holding on to peace as long as it may last. You know, when you are dreaming and you're praying never to wake up. Yeah.
That is by the way. Listen, babe. I'm not going to waste much time. I was this close to losing you to another woman. I don't want to take that chance anymore. Let's get married. I'm ready to marry you now.
But I can't. Can't get married to you anymore. I am already married.
You can't be married. No. Whatever thing you had with that woman was a fake marriage. You were bearing the name Monday and you were a pauper who had no memory. And that thing that you call a marriage to Eunice is invalid as far as I'm concerned.
Listen, I was not real, so as my identity that was created for me. But for the 4 months I have lived with that woman, my body and my soul still feel married and indebted to her.
Babe, what are you even saying? Don't tell me you fell in love with this woman just 4 months of living with her, whereas we've spent 5 years together, and you want to throw all that away? No, baby. Are you breaking up with me?
It is late, Tara.
No, babe. You can't do this to me. Listen, my heart is beating for you. You belong to me. I won't let another woman have you. Please don't do this to me.
Tara, I am married.
You can't be married. That's a fake marriage. I won't accept it. You are mine and mine forever. Sonny, please, babe, please, don't do this. Babe, please,
Tara,
please,
wait.
please.
Can you wait?
Babe, please don't do this.
Take note of everything you're saying. Do you understand? Just need to tell them how it is. I have come to marry your sister like a real man. Just like other men marry the love of their life.
Mr. Sunday Obi, honestly, I need to understand what you are saying. Are you confirming to me that you have arrived with your friend with all of these drinks to indicate your interest in retaining your marriage with Eunice, my sister?
Exactly.
This is indeed very serious.
You see, brother-in-law, I couldn't stop thinking about her. Then I realized this emergency marriage, though it was full of pretense and lies, but I come to understand that it was fate at work. Fate gave me a wife, a good woman, and allowed my memory to be gone so that I can stay and love her. Brother-in-law, please, give me your blessing. Let me marry her again as a real man. This time, no pretense, big occasions. My friend and my family will be present.
Just like you said, it was actually fate that was playing fast one on all of us. If not, how will anybody explain it? That it was at that particular spot that the hoodlums who attacked you decided to dump you. No, how can anybody explain that my sister was the only one who saw you unconscious and decided to bring you home for you to be revived in my compound? That can only be fate. You have lived with us and we have come to know you. And based on everything that has transpired, who am I? I mean, who am I to say no? Of course, I give my consent. I give my blessing.
Oh, wow.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Even my daughter, I'm sure that she has given her blessing.
Awesome. You are now going to be officially Mrs. Eunice Obi. That sounds right.
Whatever your name is never mattered to me. I mean, I fell in love with a nameless man, and I have never regretted it. Never. But Mrs. Eunice Obi, it sounds nice. It sounds nice.
Then,
I like it.
let's marry again.
Yeah.
What are we waiting for?
You are welcome. Get us glasses. We are going to open this one. To celebrate.
Azam, the one.